right, let's start getting into it. I am not even ready right now, I swear. I'm just here, guys. I'm just here. What is up? Welcome in, Flex Trader, Wagme, Made the Trenches, Made in the Trenches. What is up? Jet Black, how you doing? Aquata, how you doing? Med Battle Batala. What is up over there on Twitch? How you doing? Welcome in, welcome in. Eric, what's up? Oh boy, do we have a lot to talk about here. Goodness gracious. Hold on, let me get prepared. I was like, damn, the market's still crashing. Bad. Holy shit. So, here we are. For the live coverage of the market meltdown, here we are. I didn't expect some of these to break certain levels of support, but damn, we going crazy. What's up, G? How you doing? How you doing? Alrighty, alright, we're going to be covering Bitcoin and taking all other requests, so you guys get those ready, Alright, and if you do appreciate this live coverage of the market meltdown, please like and subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead and check out the weekly candle close for Bitcoin. The weekly candle close was officially below $98,000. This is a real problem. Today just keeps going and going. It really does. Evening, sir. What's up, Scarface? How you doing? So, we're back in the channel. There's that. But understand now, Bitcoin kind of is perfectly set up. We might have one more move up, maybe bearishly backtesting 98,106. If that happens, if it is a bearish backtest, expect 71,000, and I'm not even joking about that. Expect 71,000. More than 1 year of work and research is gone. What the hell? A year? What do you mean? Wild. What do you mean, G? A year of work and research? I don't know what you're talking about. All I know, shit's getting real. So it does look like the bearish divergence on the weekly is finally going to play out, and it took tariffs on Canada to start playing out. That seems weird. Seems like they were just looking for a reason to sell off, in my opinion. Can we get ABT update? Sure, I gotcha. ABT. ABT. Should have left your ADA short open, but it closed right as was moving to take profit limit. It happens. It happens. Is the bull run over? To be fair, the bull run never really started for the altcoins, like the real bull run. I wouldn't say the bull run's over, so I'm still in the camp, and I have been for a while. I think we're going to do something kind of like this, like from the last bull run. I feel like this could happen. But, you know, it'll be an extension to the upside. That's what I feel like could happen. Who has tariffs on Canada on the bingo card? Who had it? Who knows? Who knows? Study buying alts, and now anything I was positive is negative? Oh, man. You gotta realize, all altcoins, for the most part, are absolute garbage. I feel like I say it really often that, like, the entire point of altcoins is to then accumulate more Bitcoin. Like, that's really what it's for. It's okay. It's alright. It's like, but it's days like this that everybody who talks shit about me nonstop whenever I'm like a 5-year strategy of holding XRP. Are you sure about that? You sure? Then these days where Bitcoin's down 6% and we can look at, let's just say, Burger here right below it, 25% downside. Or Bond down 30%. Brett down 32%. You see that, and then it makes more sense. Accumulate more Bitcoin, because a 5.7% drop, not that bad. Oh, I just took profit. It's not that bad. It's really not that bad. Will you sell off, you fuck? That should have been profit taking right there. God damn it. Anyways. Hold on. I'm missing out here. Zoom out, bud. What do you think of Vine? Well, I think it's going down. I think it's going down. We'll check out some Vine for you if I can find it, and we'll check it out. The bull run is over. Sell, sell, sell. Well, that's just irresponsible. I don't know if it's completely over. I mean, in reality, we've had an institutionally driven Bitcoin bull run so far, and some of the American altcoins have run up also. So I wouldn't say the bull run is over, especially Bitcoin being down. I mean, it's less than 5% bouncing off support. Come on. See, for altcoin lovers, yeah, maybe. Maybe you're sitting here like, oh, we wiped out all of our gains. It's over. Did it ever really get started? I mean, you never really had a true alt season. You haven't seen them breaking all-time highs. Even XRP did not break its all-time high. So it's like, did it? It's okay. What up, Porky? What's up, Defo? How you doing? Yeah, sell to me. Burn it down, going down with the whales. That's funny. Who shorted ETH? Because tell me someone did that, right? Whales are shaking all the longs out. Just hold and chill. Exactly. Hold, chill. Hold and chill. The whole point of this stream tonight, we're going to be going over support levels and everything like that. DZ, Porky, can we look at Degen and Bonk? Yeah, Degen and Bonk. Degen and Bonk, got you. You're buying XRP at 50 cents? Smart move, Milk. See there, it's days like this where y'all believe me about that real low price on XRP, huh? Days like this. Let's go. It's over? No, it's not over. This is your typical overreaction from Wall Street now that futures is open and they can draw liquidity out of the crypto space. That's all it is. Then couple that with long liquidations, you get days like this. Super bloody. It's done. I love how quickly everybody's like, it's done, it's over, we're going to zero. Y'all are wild. But on days where I'm like, ooh, we should be expecting a pullback up to 40%, you guys are like, you're crazy. I'm investing for 5 years. It's like, wow. How quickly you guys change. How quickly. I always believed you. I would be a fool not to listen to ones who've come before me. Yeah. Oh, man. I can't believe this Cava trade didn't sell off. You bastard. What? Man, spot price hit. But, you know, we can't get it on the futures price. Crazy. This is just showing you how strong Cava is. Oh, watch. They reach a deal with tariffs tomorrow and the whole market... Yeah, huge liquidity grab. Huge. ETH 2300. We'll have to check out ETH too. These are the best prices we've seen in a little while. It'll bounce back. It really will. I mean, look at Bitcoin on the daily, already catching bids. That's absolutely great. What is new about futures? Oh, there's nothing new about futures. It's just you will see occasionally spot price hit a level, but futures will not. And or it'll go lower than the actual spot price. Like right now, I almost got sold off, but we're catching bids. You know what? I'm just going to close this out just for my safety. I'll just take the 100% gain. No big deal. So, everybody in Discord, I'm out of my trade. I took profit on Cava. I took profit. Anyways. Any clue of the bottom? Any clue of the bottom? It's going to solely depend on when investors feel like buying back in. We're going to try to find that out. Don't forget, Colombia folded on tariffs within 24 hours. Oh, no. So, understand, Trump, he's like, no, Canada, Mexico, and China, these tariffs are happening no matter what. I don't care what they do. Fix your side, and then maybe we'll lift it. But I think he wants to leave these tariffs in place for a while. I really do. I think he does. So we're going to wait and see what he does, how long it takes. And then, yeah, hopefully things get better later. But Bitcoin right now on the daily, we're catching a bounce off 91,913. If we hold above that, fantastic. Nothing is wrong here. All it is a correction, and just maybe we start putting in some hidden bullish divergence. So that would be great. Wow, render approaching $3. Keep going, buy time, right? Can I check Andy and Aptos? Got you covered. Andy, APT. Got you covered, Max. We will check those out. But yeah, so right now, if you're staying above 87,256, don't worry. This is still bullish consolidation. All you're getting here is just resetting your indicators right now. We could still go up. So the fact that Wall Street is in Bitcoin so heavily, I wouldn't be too worried about a major crash just yet. I think it's going to take a little bit of time. Let's wait and see what happens come tomorrow morning. Let's see how Wall Street reacts. Let's see if they're just overreacting while there's low liquidity in the market, which I'm kind of leaning toward that, but we're going to see what they do. All right, moving along. Let's go ahead and check out Andy. Sorry. Andy ETH. There we go. How low can we... I had it measured out. Oh, no. Did we look at this the other day? Holy shit. I saw that bearish back test? Huh. You could find yourself at 4117. Oh, man. Yeah, that's 60% drop. That's crazy. I had the bullish case out there, but you didn't break out. Remember, bearish till broken out. Bearish till broken out. I got wrecked on Sui again. This shit is unpredictable. Yeah, I don't trade Sui. Sui punishes me. So I stopped trading Sui. I had 4 separate trades, 4 separate days. Every time I got stopped out within like 15 minutes. I was like, what the heck is this? So I just stopped trading Sui. Completely stopped. You know, one that I'm surprised is falling so hard, Caspa. I think Caspa just lost major support, so I'm definitely going to be waiting for tomorrow to see some bearish back tests and jump into a lot more shorts. A lot more shorts. But Andy ETH, you're on your way to seeing 4117. You still have another 40% in the tank. Don't get me wrong, you could catch a bounce, but I would be aiming for support down below because it used major support down here once before. You could catch some bids just before that, though. I would be paying attention to this level at 5271 as well as this level here at 6305. Pay attention to those two levels. You might catch a bounce there. ENA has been doing you dirty, Banana Republic. Any green candles anywhere? BTC just hit an all-time high, I think. What? Green candles anywhere? I doubt it. But yeah, Bitcoin hit a recent all-time high, yes, but the altcoins, a lot of them didn't. The newer altcoins, of course, they would because they had price discovery on their side, whereas a lot of the others, nah, they were just catching some bids here and there, people speculating. But green candles anywhere? Oh, we do have some green on Dexy. Go figure. Oh, we got a little green on Cava. Good thing I got out of Cava. Holy shit. It's going green. So this is what I'm talking about with if we want to look at Cava. This is what weekly bullish divergence looks like. This thing is probably one of the more powerful cryptos out there, and when Bitcoin bounces back, I wouldn't be surprised if Cava starts running. Wouldn't be surprised. Bitcoin dominance. You want to check out Bitcoin dominance? Okay, we'll check it out. BTC.D. I'm about to get liquidated. Wish you guys luck. Make it this bull run. Yeah, we do plan on making it this bull run. Hopefully you don't get liquidated. Hopefully you had good stop loss management. That would be ideal. I'm gonna go to this real quick so you guys can like actually see this. So on the spot price, we hit my measured move down, but look at what's happening on Cava. Cava wants to go up really bad. Like really bad, and that's basically because it's sitting at a very good level. I'm gonna get rid of that. If we go out to our weekly, this is the point of weekly weekly divergence. You had a lower low in price, and then your relative strength was slightly higher. Bullish divergence on the weekly is a big deal. It is a very big deal. You can see while everything else is down bad, this thing is still maintaining its higher low. And if we can stay above 43.20, guess what? This thing has the capability of going 162% to the upside. I guess a little bit more right now. 175% upside is possible for Cava. Of course, nobody looks at Cava ever, but you can see how resilient it's being right now, and that's because of this beautiful bottoming pattern with bullish divergence. I got effing wrecked. Crash. I think a lot of people did, because I just saw something on X. There was $904 million that just got liquidated in longs. Yeah, 904, I believe. I can't find it now. Damn. Anyways, it was crazy. Cas, please? Yeah, we can check out Cas for you. I got you, Jen. Cas. Is all this happening just because of the tariffs? I believe this all is happening because the big boys were distributing already, and now they just have a reason. But on top of that, there's multiple other reasons. Cava was a nice play. Yeah, no problem. It was just a very short-term trade that I saw earlier, and now it's looking beautiful. But I think also with the lack of indiscriminate spending around the world, it's going to stop the devaluation of the dollar. So if we stop devaluing the dollar, that means all these assets that are deflationary technically should go down, because the dollar should get way stronger. Way stronger. I bet big on Cas bouncing at 10. Okay, alright, that's crazy. Oh, and it didn't bounce, it fell through it. Damn. Yep, you lost $5 from that $1 billion of liquidations. Well, it's good you had proper risk management there. Massive gap in S&P futures. Expecting the same in crypto on risk assets tomorrow morning. Thoughts? Yeah, I do think there should be more of a sell-off tomorrow morning, but we're going to have to wait and find out what happens. We're going to have to wait and see. I heard one person say Cas to 7 cents. I should have listened and shorted, but hey, I buy cheap Cas. That's true. New York session going to wreck markets. Yeah, that's fair, JD. That's fair. Trump will not take back the tariffs. That he doesn't plan to. He doesn't plan to. Trump campaigned on tariffs. He may lower, but tariffs will stay. Yeah, that's fair. He did campaign on tariffs. He really did. And noted, everyone's going to freak out about tariffs in the short term. In the longer term, I think they're going to be okay with it. Alright, so let's get back to the requests. We checked out Andy ETH. Let's check out APT. Aptos. So, Aptos here is free falling, but you have an opportunity of holding support right now, because this is almost your lowest support ever. Let's go out to our weekly right now. Let's see what happens if you lose that level. Nothing good. That's what happens. Nothing good. Because then I'll see you all the way down here at $3.50. Oof. Mexico and Canada will budge. We don't want them to budge. We want them to secure their borders and stop letting trash through ours. That's what we really want. He even said we have to suffer through the tariffs temporary short term. Oh, okay. I didn't realize he said that. I never got that. So, hey, at least he warned everybody. Which, I'm okay with it. If we're going to have safer cities, safer towns, if kids can be more safe, if there's less drugs on the streets, I'm okay with it. Like, screw it. Hey, okay with it. Alright, so APT. Looking at your weekly, it doesn't really look like much. It just looks like you're trying to find a bottom. You're not oversold yet on the weekly. Let's check out your daily. Daily is showing no bullish divergence, so you do have the possibility of bearish consolidation, then further downside. That's too bad. I would expect if you do catch a bounce to go up to 618 and then possibly find yourself back down to 350. That would be my idea here for Aptos. Yeah, less FET would be great. It would be great. Less fentanyl would be amazing. This is just another great opportunity to buy more crypto for the bags. You're not wrong. It is a good opportunity, but I do recommend wait until you see at least bullish divergence on the daily, but that's just a recommendation. It is never financial advice. Yeah, this does not have bullish divergence. So what do I mean by that? You saw right here, you had a low, and this is kind of shaping up to be the same thing. You had a low right here, and then you had a lower price, but your relative strength was higher. So if we zoom in out here, you had your low right here, higher relative strength, but you had a lower price. That's what I'm talking about could happen. Problem is you're hitting support now, so your lower price could be as low as $3.50. I lost everything. This market is absolutely nonsense. Jam 19, always operate with stop losses. Also, I think now you learn the importance of holding Bitcoin. I think you just learned it. A lot of people, when markets are going up, no one wants to listen to anybody who says, put most of your money in Bitcoin. No one wants to listen. And then days like this happen, where you get wiped out. I don't know if I should sell everything at this point. Oh, don't sell now. Everything's been falling for months. Don't sell now. Just wait. Sorry to hear, Jim. Yeah, it's terrible. You risk the whole biscuit. Yes. Never risk the whole biscuit. Always operate with stop losses. Always take your profit. I mean, I can only say the same thing so many days. And then a day like this comes after I made... 5 days ago, we mentioned Kramer. 5 days ago, we mentioned it. Remember that, everybody. Inverse Kramer's never wrong. Never wrong. Back up the truck and buy the dip. You know, a lot of people, they don't have buy the dip funds. They don't. They all got wrecked. Daniel Thomas, what is up? How you doing? Welcome in. The worst thing to do right now is sell. Yeah, worst thing to do. WTF happened to your portfolio? Well, the market sold off. It sold off. Bear market ain't here yet. I mean, the altcoins have been in a bear market. They've been in a bear market. They have not gotten their bull market run-ups. Bitcoin did, American cryptos did, and some outliers did. But, like, the vast majority of the altcoin market, they have not seen a true bull run yet. And that's partially because most people, they're trying to afford eggs, trying to afford gas, trying to fucking survive. We never got an alt season. Well, we're probably not going to get it until like later this year or next year. Probably not going to happen. But my homie, Long, you got a new member. Oh boy. Alrighty, let's move on from APT. So what I could see over time, you might just see yourself getting down to $3.50. Noted, you could get a very strong bounce, and that bounce could lead you up to anywhere between 20, even 44%, but we are still bearish. We are waiting for that daily bullish divergence, so you still could see the possibility of coming down another 31%. So keep that in mind for Aptos. Let's move on. We got ABT. ABT. Ark block is currently down 6%, and it's chilling, honestly. This thing is chilling right now. Not bad at all. On your daily, you do not have bullish divergence yet. If you turn around right now and you start going up, bullish divergence achieved. I mean, it's basically wanting to do that. However, focus up. Focus up. You could be falling straight down to 62.24. 62.24 is the hard target right now for ABT. If you fall below that, it's going to be rough. It's going to be rough. But that's what I'd be aiming at is support. That's all I want. Just get some support. Currently, you're hanging on to a daily level of support sitting right here at 969. If you break through that, see you at 62.4. Y'all gotta wait till like April through October for full spectrum bull run based on the macro. Maybe. Just think as panic sellers, guess who's buying? Of course, the whales are buying up all of this dip. They got that buy the dip money though. I'm buying. Hey Porky, at the end of your stream, can you go over which coin will recover the fastest? Yeah, I did it at the beginning of the stream. I think Cava is going to be the fastest. It's been accumulated for the past like 2 years, so I think it's going to be Cava. Crispy Lifestyle, you want ICP, Velo, and Link? All right, got you. ICP, Velo, and Link. Alrighty. Got you covered. Okay, so if we manage to hold support here, we get another breakout and hold support again, then you do have daily bullish divergence on the falling wedge and technically a confirmed backtest. So this thing does have the opportunity, only if you hold, to do the beautiful measured move to the upside, which we would be looking at something like this. 71% upside would be the target. But if you do go down, you still have a little bit more room to the downside. You could be seeing 37% more downside. Oh, Jin, thank you so much for becoming a member. Thank you so much. I greatly appreciate you. Thank you. All right, so this is what I'm looking at for this particular asset. I'm going to get rid of this and this because they don't matter anymore. Cas, please. Got you covered. We will check out Cas next. So, if we hold support right now, 969, you could see 71% upside. If we fall through because the market continues being bearish, which I am leaning toward it probably staying bearish and disrespecting this falling wedge, who knows? But you could see another 37% downside. You could very well see that. So yeah, that's what I got. Anyways, moving on, we got Caspa. Caspa's doing an extremely bad thing right now. So I had this measured out last night. I was like, is Caspa about to go down? I don't know. I was thinking about taking the trade. I didn't. Definitely should have. Now that I'm seeing it playing out, definitely should have. However, Caspa did the worst thing possible. It lost support and it's back below its demand line. This is what we don't want to see. This is really bad. So Caspa is now set up for the possibility of seeing 5 cents again. 5 cents. You currently have this scraggly little support down here at and I'm saying it's scraggly because it's only daily support. It's not weekly. So you have support sitting at 79843 and you're bouncing off of it right now. Worst thing you could see is a bearish backtest of 99409. Worst thing you could see, because then you are expecting this to just roll on over and get down to 50691. I did not expect Caspa to go below 10 cents again. Not gonna lie, I didn't expect it to go below this 99409 level, honestly. We holding? Kyle, we're not holding on to anything. We dumping big, brother. We dumping hard, Kyle. But you're about to enter that oversold territory on the daily, which is nice. Let's see if you have any type of divergence. Nope, you don't. No divergence yet, so expect lower prices. That sucks. So we could very well see Caspa fall an additional 39.6%. Damn. That's crazy. That is actually crazy. But that would be like your best buying opportunity on Caspa. Anywhere between that 5 and 3 cent level. Sheesh. Absolutely wild. You really don't want to lose that 3 cent level though. You really don't want to lose it. However, 886 has happened. What do you mean dump? I'm new. Oh, Anthony. Number go down. That's what we mean. Number go down. So let's see, from where the rally began to where it ended, what is a possibility? We could see that beautiful 886 retracement, which would be still an additional 60% downside. I guess right now, 58% downside. Wild and crazy. But we could be looking at that 886. And we should find support down there. We really should. We're going to see what happens, though. So we have a lot of downside. Brad, you want XRP? Oh, I was waiting for somebody to ask for XRP. I feel vindicated with XRP. I feel vindicated. But yeah, we'll look at XRP. Alright, so that was Caspa. Let's go ahead and check out Vine. Vine coin. So this thing is like brand new. You could very well go into price discovery to the downside. Crypto dump is scary right now. I mean, I don't know about scary. It feels like a Sunday night. I guess I've been in too many of these for me to be like scared. And it's more of I'm just looking to see where I can put in some shorts and gain. Let me get some gains, baby. But I gotta wait for a bounce. That's all it is. So I'm probably going to have my shorting opportunity in the morning. Probably. Alright, Vine, doing a really bad thing on the daily. You're losing support. You are losing support. Oh no. Actually, I might be able to do this on Vine. Damn. I think BTC will recover back to 105 soon. Chances? We'll see. It needs to break above 104. That's the big deal, 104. If you can get back above 104, hey, this is just a bad dream. Nothing happened on Bitcoin. The alts, they're going to take a really long time. But if you go up to 104 and then you start turning around in price, we could see as low as 71,000. It is a possibility. You could see as low as 71,000. You didn't even get a 618? Damn, that's bearish. Damn. Well, Vine has the possibility of seeing 31911. It is a possibility. That is your absolute most bearish case possible. You could see Vine fall an additional 75%. That would be the worst case scenario here if you just went into price discovery to the downside. Hopefully there's some people who still like buying Vine. Hopefully it can hold up. Well, that is your worst case scenario. Your best case scenario is you get a nice bullish or a nice little retracement, 85% upside, getting that bearish 5-0, and then you just make a higher low. That would be nice. We're going to have to wait and see what happens. As of this moment in time, you are looking for bearish options, and losing a level of support, not a good look. It's really not. I think that's not the real Vine. Really? Oh boy. Not the real Vine. The real Vine is not trading at 12 cents right now? Nearly 13 cents? They shouldn't have so many Vine. They should have less Vine tokens. That's what they really should do. Jesus. Let's check out Degen. Degen completely disrespected the falling wedge. Finding support right now at 316. You don't want to lose 316. You just don't want to lose 316. Oh, that could be bad. That could be bad. You could find yourself not negative. I mean, that's positive. You won't go negative. So I think you're going to find some support on Degen. You can't go much lower. Oh, sorry, it is. Yeah, I know, right? That's how low that thing got. Absolutely crazy. So what you really want to do, hold that 265 level for Degen. Degen has gotten smoked. We can get rid of this. We can get rid of this. Get rid of this. All that. Doesn't even matter anymore. Checking out your daily time frame. You're not even trying to set up for bullish divergence yet. So I'm expecting another wick to the downside after some bearish consolidation. A death cross is coming as well. A lot of these altcoins, a death cross is coming. So we'll see how the market reacts to a death cross also. We'll see. But Degen, yeah, not great. About to hit your all-time lows. Hbar, please. We'll get into some Hbar. But next, we have Bonk. So let's go ahead and check out Bonk. Bonk is amazing to me, how far down it has gone. Absolutely amazing. I thought it was about to bounce to the upside, but nope. Just getting wrecked. Bonk is more wrecked than like Paris Hilton. Oh man. Anyways, nice wick to the downside. Nothing doing well. Cava's doing well. It's holding its own. Cava is about it. But no one cares about Cava because I've only been talking about it for like a year. No one cares about Cava. So you're still above your demand line, which is good for Bonk. You're just hitting these lows that have been acting as support for a very long time. You currently do not have bullish divergence on the daily. You're just getting into that oversold territory. So if you do catch a bounce, and that's a big if, you could find yourself going up 43% and finding some resistance. Thumbs up, Porky. Been with guys since day one. Your stream's A1, dude. Well, I appreciate it. Ponky, got you, Jin. We'll check out Ponky next. Ponky. Got you covered. So, on the upside possibility, you could see this thing go up to 43%. But I am still going to be looking for another lower low just because you don't have bullish divergence. That is my sole reason for thinking that. No bullish div, well, guess what? Maybe you go lower. And it doesn't even have to be that much lower, but it could be a bit lower. You could find yourself at 1119. 1119. So, eventually, no surprises here if you get another 28% downside. No surprises here. I'm disappointed in myself. I got out of that ACH trade. I should have just stayed in it. On the new day, it's down 15%. I should have stayed in that thing. Oh boy. I didn't realize it would just keep on going. Probably should have let that one play out too. Oh well, it's fine. It's fine. We got our gains. Alright, let's go ahead and look at Ponky. Well, yeah, daily time frame, falling knife. We don't touch those. You now literally have to wait for bullish divergence. That's kind of the shitty thing about these sharp drops. If there's no bullish divergence, you don't want anything to do with it. Whiff got crushed. Oh, it probably went into price discovery to the downside. You don't want that. You don't want that. That's, oh man. But yeah, whiff. Damn, it was sitting on the edge. How in the world? I'm so confused how that got me in the eye. I'm wearing glasses. Oh my goodness. Alrighty. Oh my god. Let's get rid of this. And this. I gotta see what's going on here. Looks like that didn't happen. Can I look at super? Yeah, gotcha. Super. Alrighty. Well, it looks like Ponky's losing more support. Now we're just looking for, like, what is your 886 from low to high at this point? Because you're basically there. Man, that was a downtrend. Sheesh. You're sitting on top of your 886. You're breaking it. Oof. Oof. So now for Ponky, you could find yourself at 5378, but you're losing your 886 right now. That is rough. You might even get as low as 100% retrace. Jeez. Jeez. These are your levels to focus in on. 5378 or 2256. No bullish divergence at all. Nobody's buying this thing. They're just letting it fall. You had a death cross from, what day is this? January 14th. Good God. Man, should have put my bags in Cava. Why is it holding? It has weekly bullish divergence. It's a bottoming pattern. It literally is bottomed out and it's putting in a higher low. That's why. I've been talking about Cava non-stop for weeks. It's up to you guys not listening. That's on y'all. Yo, Porky, what's your opinion on the overall market sentiment right now? Still some gas left in this bull run. There's going to be plenty of gas left in Bitcoin's bull run. Bitcoin's going to do just fine. As for the altcoins, we're going to have to wait for some setups. We're going to have to wait for reaccumulation. We're going to have to just wait. That's pretty much it. Bitcoin, if it does continue going down, maybe we see 71,000. Maybe. But I do think that after tomorrow, I think a lot of the selling pressure is going to subside. I really do. Wall Street likes to overreact to new news that is uncertain. We've seen that for the past 4 years. And yeah, it's just how Wall Street acts. They don't know how to conduct themselves. They turn the entire investment world into a casino. Can I check Pepe? Yeah, Milk, we can check out Pepe. We can check it out. Are you still holding your alt positions? Yeah, of course. So the way I operate, it gets into my buying zone or it's not my buying zone. Some things have entered into my buying zones, so I just buy more. I don't care. As long as you're not making price discovery to the downside, I don't give a shit. Like, once it gets up to my profit-taking level, I take profits. That's how I operate. And it is what it is. So yeah, I'm still holding my alt positions. Noted, as things were going up, I took profits on the way up. I highly recommend everybody do that. So then you can just relax during these downtimes. Just chill. When the China market open? I think they're already open. Otherwise, they open up around 8 p.m. So maybe they open up in about an hour and 15 minutes. But I'm not sure. Well, you consider buy zones. So with this asset here, you can see how this level acted as support once you got out of this level down here. Great buy zone is where you just entered. Anything between 10302 and 2256. This right here would be a great buy zone in my opinion because you saw what it did after it broke out of this area and held support. You took off. You went absolutely crazy. Outstanding. So now in this thing, since it is more brand new, you get to see where your profit taking levels are. If you can stay above this 10302, then your first profit taking level is going to be 52096 now. It's a very easy thing to see for Ponky. That's all I ever do. I'm like, oh, well, looks like anything in this zone down here is your ultimate buying opportunities. Anything down here. Do I think Ponky's going to get down to that 2256 level? I don't think it will. But the closer it is to it, the happier I am because I know that I'm buying low. So yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead and check out Pepe. I got to hold strong now. I mean, it's not hard to just put your phone down and not look at your wallet. It's not hard. All right, looking at Pepe, let's clean up. Actually, let's just clean this chart. Let's just make it all fresh and clean. You guys can see how I chart this thing out. So right now, we're just getting our levels. We're going to go in right here. I'm going to go in right here. So right now, if Pepe loses this level, you're most likely going to see 541. Most likely. But if you hold this level, well, you have an opportunity of greatness. Opportunities of greatness. If you lose that level, that's where it gets dark. That's where it gets real dark. There we go. Looks rough. No, this actually looks okay because on your weekly you did have triple bearish divergence. So Pepe, you were always expecting a sell-off. You just didn't know it was going to come this fast. So as soon as you put in your first high and you got overbought here, you put in another high with lower relative strength, and then you put in a third high with lower relative strength on the weekly. You're just kind of like, how long are they going to keep this going? What the heck? As soon as you lost this level, you knew it was bad. You didn't realize it was just going to be 3 weeks straight of straight down. But anyways, going out to our daily, so we can get a better feel for this. Now, your daily, this is what I'm talking about by bullish divergence. So Pepe actually looks pretty decent. It's trying its best to double bottom on relative strength. You can see right here, trying its best. But will it hold? We will see. If it starts popping up from here, then yeah, great opportunity to catch a nice bullish bounce. Going to be looking for the golden retrace. So let's just say you do catch a bounce here for Pepe, then just maybe you get this thing to rally up to your golden retrace. Noted, wait for the higher low. Your golden retrace is going to be 133% if the dumping stops. Did you see Cardano? We did not look at ADA. We'll check it out for you. We will check it out. So right now, you do have a downtrend that you're working off of on your daily. So this is most important right there. So even if you do catch a bounce, you're looking to hit resistance. Period. Looking to hit resistance. This is your bullish case scenario here. So noted, maybe it doesn't work because the market's super bearish right now. Maybe it doesn't work. But let's go ahead and drop down to our 4 hour. Now your 4 hour, it is canceling out any bullish divergence you had. So you're expecting bearish consolidation. So now even on this lower time frame, you're thinking you're going to catch a bounce and then bearishly roll over. So for Pepe, what I would be looking for is a beautiful little bounce. Maybe you only get a bearish 5-0. Maybe you see this thing go up 30%. This is going to change the sentiment of everybody saying, oh, Pepe's strong again, not realizing that is a perfect setup for more downside. And then from there, you would be looking at this like, all right, we caught our bounce. Where are we going next? Probably going down to try and set up some bullish divergence, where then you could see this thing fall down somewhere up to 66%. Most likely you'd find support somewhere around here, 52% downside at 541. So that's how I would be looking at Pepe right now. I would be waiting and watching for this bounce to the upside if you get it. And then, hey, maybe we're going to go down and test support at 541 after that. But, yeah, bearish until broken out. And right now you have this great downtrend to work off of. So anything up next to that downtrend, you've only had 2 touches. You're looking for that third touch. Once you get it, send it. Sell that bitch off. Wow, XRP was about back to 70 and then dropped down to 250. What? Oh, 270. That's nuts. Yeah, it is nuts. It is nuts. We're going to be looking at XRP, don't worry. So this is what I'm seeing. Positive side, you might see a 30% bounce out of Pepe, but I'm still very negative on it. I would expect a 52% drop after that. So that's what I'm seeing out of Pepe. Noted. If you manage to break out and then hold support here, well then we're looking for that golden retrace. 133% upside. So there are several things at play here, but since I don't have a crystal ball, and I don't think you do either, we have to account for the bearish side first. That's just what we got to do. Account for the bearish moves first, and then move on from there. Let's see if you have any bullish divergence on the one, not even on the 1 hour. You're just looking for bearish consolidation before more downside. Damn, that's rough. That is rough. Jesus. Only way that doesn't happen, you get a V-shaped recovery. Then it's like, oh, I guess nothing bad happened. What the heck was that? I don't think we're getting that either. All right, anyways, moving on from Pepe, we got Ethereum. Now, Ethereum has crushed all of my hopes and dreams. All of them. We had the inverse head and shoulders, and then we got shat on. Just shat on. Terrible. But we're trying to hang on to 2,500. If we get a daily candle close below this, yeah, I'll see you at 1930. See you at 1930. Just damn, brother. That is awful. RSR? We'll check out some RSR. But yeah, absolutely devastating for the pattern. It failed completely. False breakout and then devastation. Goodness gracious. Richard Hart launched pump tires for Pulse Chain. Think of it as Pump Fund. This is huge for Pulse Chain. Okay, cool. Cool. Where's K? We're checking on Cava. Cava's now losing market cap, going back into the negatives, but I don't think it's gonna dump nearly as hard as everything else. Anyways, so right now for Ethereum, this has done the worst thing it possibly could. It maybe it's trying to double bottom. Maybe it's trying to double bottom, but you losing this low right here, that's a real problem. Land Wolf on ETH? Sure. Sure thing. Alright. So now with Ethereum, we're going to be looking to see if we get a daily candle close below 2,500, or a much better thing would be if it came back up and actually got it back above 29.56. That would be way better. I'm not very hopeful of that, but it would be way better. There are memes overflowing on Pulse Chain right now. I don't understand what that means, but okay. Checking out our 4-hour. We are deeply oversold for Ethereum. We're hoping that it catches some bids. Either way, we're going to look for like a nice little bearish movement out of Ethereum. Maybe you go up for the back test. Maybe you see a 19% move to the upside before rolling over again. No bullish divergence has been found. None. We're just oversold, looking to catch a bounce. So we'll see how that goes for Ethereum. All right, moving right along, we got Bitcoin dominance. So Bitcoin dominance, this is probably going to look nasty as hell, and everyone's going to understand why holding Bitcoin is such a big deal. Bitcoin dominance. Oh my god. We are at 62.85%. So anybody who's really wondering, why is my altcoin dying? This. Bitcoin dominance, that's why. Can I look at VVV? I got listed on Coinbase $20 now. Only $2.50 4 days ago. We'll check it out. VVV. We'll check it out. So Bitcoin dominance, if this continues, if the sell-off continues, we're probably going to see Bitcoin dominance jump up to 71%. That is a massive breakout from our former resistance at 56.6%. That is rough. Oh, man. That is rough. We need this to come back down if you want any hope for your altcoins. Any hope at all. I just said they got there. Can anyone make memes on Pulse Chain right now on pump tires? I don't know. I have no idea what that is. Oh, anyone can. Yeah, that's cool. I'm not going to make a meme coin on that. I'm never going to make a meme coin, everybody. Never going to do it. Everybody going to be like, F alts, Bitcoin only? Well, that's... So there's this term in the crypto space. It's like, you want to know the best way to make a Bitcoin maxi? Go through a bear market. Like... That's really all it is. So many people are sitting there like, oh, well, look at Bitcoin's price. It has no growth. Right. And you're going to take profit at the right time on your altcoin? Okay. All right. So, yeah, it's funny to me. Lenda is probably getting devastated. Also, Bashar, they're not listed on any exchanges, I believe. So... Looking at Lenda, can't really do that. Can't really do that for the TA. Alt season canceled? Alt season never started. There's a lot of people who like to say alt season here, alt season when. Alt season never started. It never started. It never came. Ever. And if you don't believe me, go look at Sushi's chart on the weekly. Just go look at it. It never started. Good or bad, Lenda? I think Lenda's great. I'm holding some. I'm holding some Lenda. I just want to see what the project does. Noted, I only put in there what I was willing to lose. That's all I did. Put in there what I was willing to lose. So yeah, looks like Bitcoin dominance is trying to continue up, but some of the alts are starting to catch bounces. So we're starting to see a bit of resistance on the Bitcoin dominance. Let's see if we can stay below this level right here, which is 63.86. Let's see if we can stay below. Is RTX a scam? They're all scams. Everything's a scam. I don't know what RTX is. Josh, I have no idea what it is. We see Sol went from 7 to 300. Yeah, Sol went from 7 to 300. You're right. But also, it went from 260 to 7. So it's like, when you're hitting a bear market, ooh, it's rough. Oh, wait, Max, are you trying to make an argument for alt season? Yeah, no. That was an American-based utility token. That's all that was. It was replacing Ethereum that whole time. Tron got huge pump when they released Sun Pump. Oh, okay. Pulse Chain will benefit huge from this. Oh, that's cool. Hopefully they do. All of Casino. Casinos, it's win or lose. This one, there's percentages. You can pull out at any time. You could have minimal losses. You could have gains. But I wouldn't put it on the same level as a casino. I wouldn't do that. Oh boy, ICP is getting wrecked. Oh no. But yeah, like look at this chart. Look at ICP. This entire time, you have not seen $15 again. Alt season hasn't come. It's not here. You're not going up to all-time highs. You're not doing the damn thing. You couldn't even come close to testing this level. Alt season ain't here. It just hasn't come. I know there were a lot of people talking about, oh, some of the alts went up like 100, 200%. I'm like, that's not alt season. That's alts recovering. That's not alt season. Alt season is when they do that in a day. Like, alt season gets crazy. Wrecked. Yep. Wrecked. The whole market getting wrecked. But no, ICP doing a really bad thing. I'm looking for support at $5.20. But you can see this right here. This is not an alt season at all. This is nothing. You're waiting for this thing to do what XCN did. XCN, it had an alt season type boost. I don't know why. It just did. Like, so everybody really shocked about how XCN was moving, and noted I was shocked it was doing that too, mainly because that's the type of crap you see during an alt season, where it's like, why is it still going up? What the heck is this? Alt season. That's what it is. Marjack's not working for anyone else? I don't know. I don't trade on there much. How's the baby and mom? Mom's doing fantastic. She's a little sick, but she's doing fantastic. The baby, he's doing really good. He's gaining weight. I saw him today. Yeah, he's doing really good. So yeah, ICP, what I would love to see is find support on $5.20. Going out to your daily time frame, we do not have bullish divergence, so the nice part about this, you could still come down and test support after catching a little bit of a bounce, start setting up a little bit of bullish divergence. That would be really good. So let's wait and see how ICP turns out, but you don't want to lose 520. If you lose 520, you could very quickly find yourself down to $3.47. Very well could see it. Right there. Okay, 350. So these are the areas I'm looking at for ICP. Pay attention to FTX. Every time goes up, the market goes down after. Wait, what? FTX? I mean, they're like back? They're here? That's crazy. Your technical bullish case right now, you could see a bearish back test. looking at 29% upside for ICP. So if Wall Street stops freaking out and they actually do want to get these bearish back tests, you're going to see every YouTuber out there talking about, oh, we're recovering, everything's fine, we're up 20, 30%, it's fine, it was just a freak out. What? Bearish back tests are a thing. So if we get a 29% move up and we're bearishly backtesting our former supply line as resistance, be ready for a lot more downside. And that downside could look something like this, where it could go another 56.9% downside. So just understand what bearish backtests are. This sell-off was just really big. So the bearish backtest, it's gonna look pretty substantial. And then that's gonna bait in a bunch of longs. As the longs start getting in, not realizing, hey, we're still bearish, then all of a sudden they're gonna get wrecked again, and then they're gonna be like, oh, crypto's a scam. It's like, no, you're just not paying attention to a chart. Like, what are you doing? So right now, what I'm pointing out is there is no bullish divergence. There is no reason for this thing to start really going up in a substantial way. The only thing that you're going to try banking off of is the fact that you were oversold over here, and now you're slightly lower, but you're still not quite as oversold yet. So there's going to be someone out there who's going to argue hidden bullish divergence. Hidden bullish divergence is right there. It's like, hold on. Is it hidden bullish divergence? I mean, is it? I feel like that's a stretch. I feel like it's a stretch, but we're going to see. I'm asking if someone can check MargX, please. Yeah, someone go check MargX. See if it's working for you. Going into the 4-hour time frame, you're just, gosh, so oversold. Going into the 1 hour, you do not have any reason to start going up. You have bearish consolidation starting. Let's look at your 15-minute. Now your 15-minute might be giving you something. 15-minute, you have the bullish divergence right there. So this right here is what I'm looking for. You even have it all the way right here. So there you go. The bullish divergence started all the way back here as price collapsed. So now we're looking for a nice little reset in our indicators, in which I would probably mark it out from here. So ICP, I would expect a solid bounce straight back up to resistance. And this could look like this. 15.98% upside. So we see ICP possibly going slightly into the green. Maybe it goes higher. Maybe you get that 886. And then it rolls over. We're going to have to wait and see how the market reacts to all this. But that's what I'm seeing out of this. The fact that you did not touch support, that is a real problem. And you are likely to go touch it. Very likely. It might not happen today, might not happen tomorrow, might not happen next week. Eventually. Probably going to go see $5.20. I'm saying probably. It's not a for certain thing, okay? Chill out. There's going to be someone out there. But you said, I said probably. Alright? Making that very clear. MargX seems fine to me, but I'm not entering along to test it. Sorry. That's fair. That's fair. Alrighty, so ICP, got it covered. Velo is next. Velo found some support. We got the 31% downside. It did try to fake us out. Even tried breaking out of the downtrend. Woo! But we got it. We got it. We're holding support, which is great. Velo still holding the supply line? Holy shit. Look at you go. Damn, Brenda. Are you putting in hidden bullish divergence? Holy shit. Velo's actually putting in hidden bullish divergence. That is absolutely insane. Who are you? What is this? Get that crap out of here. Get that crap out of here. Ponky looks like going to a nice bounce. I'm long, cross fingers. I wish you the best of luck, brother. I wish you the best of luck. Holy moly. Alright guys, we got 43 viewers, only 26 likes. If you guys could do me a huge favor, smash up the like button. Help other people find this stream. Just for a little reality of what could be coming. Help a brother out. Help a brother out. Anyways, right now Velo is showing hidden bullish divergence on the daily. So what do I mean by this? You guys are probably wondering, it is this right here. Lower relative strength, but you are maintaining higher prices. That is your hidden bullish divergence. As long as we hold above 13871, this is going to be fantastic. XRP is bouncing. Very nice. We're going to be checking out XRP soon. We just got to check out Link, and then we got XRP. But of course, it looks like the market's starting to catch some bids. Velo here, I have some high hopes for Velo. Because a golden retrace off of the hidden bullish divergence for Velo, we're going to be looking at, oh my goodness, we're going to be looking at this thing to go up 94% eventually. So this looks very bullish to me. All you got to do is stay above this low. As long as you stay above 10549, we good. We good. Making a small climb past 30 minutes. Not bad. Not bad, Universal. Not bad. So let's check out our 4-hour here. 4-hour looks terrible. It looks awful. The daily is what looks good here. Your 4-hour looks just horrendous. Let's check your 1 hour. 1 hour was showing you hope. So mildly. So mildly. So you're going to be looking at the 15-minute. 15-minute gave you that bullish divergence. Very nice. Catching the bounce. Love it. Now, of course, you're going to have to confirm your bottom. The hardest part here now is like, where am I looking to anchor this? I'm going to use the downtrend right here. So you could come all the way back up to this demand line before seeing more downside. Let's see if I drew this right. It's good enough. It is good enough. So now, where's the last time? So on this bounce for Velo, I'm looking for it to get up to 19 something or another. Velo, I'm looking for a 28% move to the upside on a bearish bounce. That's what I'm looking for. But if we do break out and then we back test as support and continue to the upside, this was all just a bad dream for Velo. Maybe we only get that bearish 5-0. Still, 20.87% upside is what we're looking at for Velo. Velo looks pretty darn decent for this bounce. Pretty darn decent. Would I take the long? Probably not. But that's what I'm looking for. A move up there. Anyways, that's what I'm seeing on Velo. So checking out Chainlink. Chainlink found support. It found support. Oh man, it backtested its 200 daily moving average too. What the heck? What in the world? Hidden bullish divergence on Link? Ooh. But look at this. Look at this. Look. Would you look at it? Would you look at it? Oh man, that's great. So let's just say you hold this uptrend. Let's just say you do. Then you're looking at something like this, holding. Hidden bullish divergence on Link. That's beautiful. That's really nice. So Link, you are still in play for possible $43 Link. Jesus. You're still in your consolidation pattern, which is even more wild. Damn, why is Link so powerful? Tell ya, they like these RWA things. They really do. 149% upside is possible for Link. Let's see what happens in the coming days if the sell-off continues and it completely disregards this TA. Let's see what happens. But Link looking really good, staying above its 200 daily moving average. Might be worth jumping into a trade on it. Checking out your 4-hour. 4-hour got super oversold. Woo! No bullish divergence yet. Your 1 hour, no bullish divergence either. So we will be looking for another test to the downside, but man, oh man, on the daily, this thing looks really good. We'll have to see what happens in the future, if this is actually real, or if it's just fake mumbo jumbo. We'll have to wait. Here's your downtrend. I'm expecting some consolidation. Let's see what happens. XRP is next. The much awaited for and anticipated XRP found support on $1.98. Did not touch 155. Are we serious? Are we serious? No on the 155. Some of these traders, I swear. I don't understand them. I swear. You didn't even get the full move of the falling wedge. Oh my, or rising wedge. Come on, man. You did get the 12% though. We called that last night. We got the 12% and then some. But damn, so close. So now I'm going to be looking for a bearish backtest at $2.91 if you can get up there. If you can get up there, oh my god, you're so ready for $1.55. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. But you had bearish divergence on the daily. You had a rising wedge pattern. Everything was pointing toward, hey, you're going down, Buster. And yeah, it went down with the rest of the market. It took the rest of the market with it. But hey, there it is. Sui to the list. We'll check out some Sui for you next. Oh, man. You have incredible hidden bullish divergence for XRP. It's absolutely insane, honestly. C98 is a good spot right now, too. We'll check out some C98. C98 in the queue. Gotcha. Oh man, XRP. XRP is on a nice large bounce though. Let's see if we have an opportunity to short this mother effer. No bullish divergence on the 4-hour. Crazy oversold though. Crazy oversold. This thing could rally for the next like 2 weeks. Oh my gosh. No bullish divergence on the 1 hour. This is weird. What do I think about CRO? I don't know. We'll see. We will check it out. Promise you that. Let's check out the 15-minute here. Do we have it there? We got the bullish div on the 15-minute. So we are looking for that beauty of a golden retrace. Oh, man. This is so rounded. Wow. Amazing. Anyways, golden retrace for this asset. We are looking for... That's it? $2.62? Interesting. Another 14.64% upside. It could go as high as resistance at 27% upside. XCN will flip XRP. Massive news tomorrow. What? Is XCN like that? I don't understand. Dude, was hyperliquid. It's been sneaking up past to the 10 spot. I have no idea. I think hyperliquid is some type of a DEX or something. I don't know. I think it's called Hyper or Hype. And we got XCN. Alrighty. So this is what I'm seeing out of XRP. I would still be looking for more downside afterwards, but let's see where it stops on its way back up. Let's see where it stops. I always like the 618 golden retrace and then the rollover to the 155. That's what I like. That's what I would think would happen. Something like this, which would be another 40% downside. Oh man, XRP Army would be pissed. But I could see it happening. I could see it. How's XCN only down 5%? That's crazy. That's crazy. Alright, Sui. Sui barely, didn't even touch $2.33. Didn't even touch it. XCN, XRP, and Ondo bounce near nicely right now. Alright, alright. Well, BlackRock's gathering up Ondo. I understand that one. real world asset play. I get that. Did this just make its measured move down? There's no way it actually pulled it off. No, it didn't. No, it didn't. Okay, not even close. Oh, man. Well, you are trying to find some support. That's great for Sui. Finding support, getting bought up. Look at this wick on the 4 hour. Holy moly. That is one heck of a wick right there. Damn. Damn. Extremely easy to see where it could stop, though. 353. Maybe you get up to 378 as a bearish backtest, and then roll over again, maybe? But you're crazy oversold, so I'm thinking you're going to get a bounce and start running to the upside. That's... Sui does some weird things. Does some weird things, man. I can't wait for tomorrow just to see how Wall Street reacts. I can't wait. Last time you were this oversold on Sui, of course you have hidden bearish, bullish divergence. Of course you do. Sui is just nasty with it. You're not oversold on the daily yet. You still could go down. Go figure. Just growing selling pressure. My God. If that's not bullish, hidden bullish divergence, I don't know what is. Holy shit. The amount of selling pressure you're getting right now compared to how high the price is, that's insane. You stacked 160 billion XCN on Ethereum X1 launch. About to launch will burn massive amount of XCN supply. Made over 30K last all-time high. Millionaire status this time. Get it, Doug. Good luck. Good luck, man. Alright, so you're finding support off this scraggly little level, which you didn't even touch. I would be way happier if Sui got down to $1.91.28 or even $1.80. Until that happens, meh, I'm going to be looking at this super bearishly. Super bearishly. You're going to have to confirm your lows. You're going to have to do all the stuff and the things we like. Brad, thank you so much. Brad Morrison, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate you. Thank you. Hopefully you come back. We go live every single day. Every single day. Checking out our 15-minute here. 15-minute is probably ready to start being weird and going up. Yeah, Sui looks good, but I would like it way better down here. The fact that you didn't get down there, I think it's just coming with time. Man, supports were lost. Supports were lost. And or Wall Street's going to get their heads out of their butt. They're going to wipe off the doo-doo, and then they're going to be like, oh, let's buy back in. Did we wreck all the longs? Alright, Hbar is next. Hbar is next. Hbar is getting a nice little V-ish shape recovery. I don't have high hopes. I think you're going to... Like, you lost 25 cents. That's a really big deal for Hbar. We go out to the daily, you can see it was acting as support all along. Now we run the risk of it acting as resistance. If it does act as resistance, I'll see it 17 and possibly even 11 cents. Everybody's going to be like, but the narrative doesn't matter right now. Right now, what matters is Wall Street is freaking out. So keep that in mind. You do have a downtrend to work off of thanks to this, but you have like 2 of them now. So you have this downtrend here that you're below. Then you have this downtrend here that you're going to have to break above also. So it's not looking great for Hbar at this moment. I would be looking for the bearish backtest, come all the way down to support at a minimum. Maybe you put in some bullish divergence. Maybe you get into oversold territory then. But as of right now, you have distinctively lost your 50 simple moving average. You are very likely to test your 200. If you get below it, hey, is what it is. Maybe you go test 11 cents. But if it takes long enough, you're probably just going to test 17 cents, hit that 200 daily moving average, and then move to the upside. Doug, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Hopefully you do come back every single day. Every day, because we go live every day. Also, guys, I have a free Discord. You guys should all consider joining the free Discord. Yeah, it's a great place to be. That's all I'll say about that. Anyways, now looking for a golden retrace on Hbar, which would be a gift at this point. I don't know if you're gonna get the full golden retrace, but you could see a 30 to even 42% move to the upside if we get that V-shaped recovery. I'm not expecting that. I'm really not. Maybe we just get the golden retrace of this move here, which then we're stopping at 26.79. Most likely that bearish 5-0 at 25 cents that was acting as such great support before could act as amazing resistance now. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing out of Hbar. 12.89% upside. Just maybe. Just maybe. Alright, we got Super next. Super. Sitting on support. Nothing more you could ask for right there. You got support. Let's go ahead and check the daily. Damn, ETH gas was over 300 this evening. See, that's the problem with Ethereum. That's why nobody likes it. That's why Solana got to go up so much. Because Ethereum sucks. So hopefully Vitalik can pull off the greatest thing of the century, lowering those gas fees. Holy shit. Super has hidden bullish divergence. Wow. Wow. On the daily, hidden bullish divergence. Check it out. That's beautiful. So now, what you're looking for is a breakout of the downtrend, hit that golden retrace, and then we'll talk about what could happen next. But damn, Super, you really out here right now. As long as you maintain support above 56.24, you could find yourself back up to $1.61. That is a surprise. It's most likely not going to happen tomorrow. No, most likely not tomorrow, but it could happen over time. Flip Coins, what's up? How you doing? Damn, Trump down to 18 billion. Oh, Trump coin? Yeah, that thing should be down in like 100,000. There's no reason people should still own it. There's really no reason. Tag Discord. Gilbert, I will just drop the link inside of the chat. How about I do that and get you covered? Why is there a chart request while I'm live? The fuck? C98 is at a good buy spot. Oh. We're going to be checking C98. Don't worry. We're going to be checking it. Where is it? There we go. All right. So, here is the Discord link for everybody who's new and doesn't want to look at the description. There you go. So right now, with the hidden bullish divergence getting oversold on the daily, we could see a massive move to the upside. Up to... Welcome in, new people. Welcome in. We could see this move all the way up to $1.6118. That is a possibility. We need to get a higher low. We need to get a breakout. We need to do a lot of things first. What is going on here? Y'all are showing up. All right, I love it. I love it. Welcome in. Welcome in, people. Welcome in. Also, everybody, remember, I will never message you first on Discord. So whoever is trying to message you first with my picture, they are definitely scamming. So do not respond to them. Do not do anything. Have I done AVAX yet? No, I have not. Keep that in mind. ADA, please. We are going over ADA next, Flip. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. All right, for Super now, for the 4 hour, we are just oversold. We still need to... Oh, man, that sucks. The fact that we're only oversold, ugh. Do we have any type of... that's too bad. Really too bad. Last time we were this oversold was back there. Where, and the price was way higher. Holy shit. That was when the price was up here. Jesus. Well, hopefully, yeah, hit the like button, everybody. Hit the like. Hopefully, we do get a nice bounce to the upside. But now, I'm just looking for bearish consolidation, which that is really too bad. I was hoping for more. But on a bearish consolidation, we could see this thing rally up to 85.46. 85.46. We could see a 37% rise out of super before possibly rolling over and finding new lows and or just maintaining support at 56.24. We're going to have to wait and see how this thing does, but that's what I'm looking for right now. That 37% rise on a golden retrace after falling. Keep in mind, you still have not put in bullish divergence on the daily, 4 hour, or 1 hour. On your 15-minute, you do have bullish divergence, so you are hoping for a nice bounce. If the traders are just being mean, then maybe your bounce is way lower. Oh, man, that's too bad. Hold on. If they're being mean, they could do something really ridiculous just like this, and you'll stop out at 6782 and then roll over to the downside. Let's hope that doesn't happen. Let's hope you get a real move to the upside. We're going to have to wait and find out. But that's super. Let's check out ADA. ADA. We got that 10% move and then some. Holy moly. But we found support at 56 cents. Let's go. Oh boy. So ADA did a bad thing. It did a really bad thing. Now we're waiting to see how low can we go. ADA, I would be looking for a bearish backtest at 78.35. After that bearish backtest, I would look for then a lower price, probably somewhere in the neighborhood of 36 cents, and then possibly putting in some bullish divergence, starting to do all the stuff in the things. But what is extremely common when you see things shoot up like this, you get massive retracements. Anywhere between 88.6 and 100% retracements. Totally normal. Totally normal. I know when I was talking about that weeks ago, no one wanted to believe me. But here we are. A great place to start would be 43 cents. We almost got there. Let's get on down there, ADA. Put some bullish divergence in there. Make it look nice. That would be good. So that's my target for ADA right now is 43.43. Solid was waiting for the bearish backtest. We're all waiting for it. We are all waiting for it. Because we can short this thing into oblivion. The problem with the bearish backtest, though, for ADA, you could come up to 86.47, and it could throw a huge monkey wrench into everything. What up? How y'all all doing? How ya all doing? What's up, Dr. Techno? How you doing? I don't know why that was so hard for me to read. Sheesh. It's like a way that I wanted to speak, but then I was like trying to read the words, and you wrote it different. And yeah. If you want to see some pain, check out Solo. Did it get that 60% downside like I said before? Did it do that? We'll check out some Solo. Don't you worry. Just rolling over like a good little boy. That's pretty funny. So yeah, this is my hard target for ADA. We'll see if we get a nice bounce up to a bearish backtest. If we do, that's going to be a great shorting opportunity. Because if we get that, I mean, the downside potential here, looking at another 44% downside, beautiful short, beautiful. What a time to DCA before a massive bull run. Eventually we'll get the bull run, eventually. But we need our economy to be way stronger. The fact that the world's economies have been so weak, average Joe just doesn't have the money to buy in. They just don't have the money. Get this guy some gains and donos. I don't know what you mean. I never ask for the donos. Also, if you guys want a dono and be a real champion, check the description below. Use that. Super chats, understand. YouTube likes to take 30% of that. So if you guys decide to do any type of random dono, yeah, outside of super chats, go with that. Toward the hooked on phonics. Well, thank you, Aquata. Thank you. But yeah, every super chat I found out, it's like YouTube is taking 30% of it. It's absolutely ridiculous in my opinion. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Damn delay. Yeah, the delay is awful. Delay is awful. There you go. 23% upside could be coming. Mikey, thank you so much for the sub. How you doing today? Welcome in. Mikey buys houses. Beautiful. Are they nice houses or are they like bad houses? I need to ask this question because I had a client where he bought low income housing and I was like, damn, that's terrible. He's like, no, it's my niche. I'm like, wow, ugh, gross. All right, so 23.9% upside is what I could see out of ADA. Then that's simply a golden retrace. That's all it is, just a common bounce. At that point, I could see it roll over and fall even further. I mean, noted, it could keep falling from here, but I just wouldn't expect being this oversold for it to keep falling. But that's just me. Expectations are meant to not be met. Checking out Sologenic. Let's see the devastation. It wasn't that bad. Not that bad. Liberals did a good job trying to wreck America and the world. Likely people woke up in time. I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. I think we're going to have to deal with a bit of pain. Holy shit, it did play out. Wow, what a perfect... You got the 5-0 perfectly. You popped right up there. You hit the 5-0 and you fell straight down just past profit-taking level. Solo looked beautiful. Dr. Techno, I don't know what you're talking about. This is a beautiful setup. We looked at this, what, yesterday? This is beautiful. Oh, man, it played out perfectly. This played out perfect. You would have taken 33% to the downside. Oh, my goodness. It was ideal. Porky, will you also cover stock trades, options trading tomorrow? I mean, if you guys request it, yeah, I can look at all of the stocks that you want. I don't do options personally because I can't get the timing down. But I can definitely read the stocks charts, and they not looking good at all. They're looking bad. It's looking like the weekly bearish divergence on most of the stock market is about to play out in a big way. So we could be in for some extended pain. Yeah, Solo looked great. Now you're looking for a nice little golden retrace and possible more downside because your 4-hour has zero bullish divergence. You could continue to the downside, seeing anywhere between 25,278 or even 18,932. Solo is getting pooped on. And noted, if it is going to bring the pain, you're going to see that 886 play out. The 886 retracement, it's like a golden rule of altcoins. They all do it. And that's looking like, oh man, 18 cents could be coming. So to get to that 886, you could very well see yourself go down another 42%. Dang, that's rough. But hey, over time, could definitely happen for Solo. All right, RSR is coming in next. Yeah, if you guys are in the Discord, there is a section where you can request for charts. Get me to look at some stocks. You can just get me to look at some stocks. That would be the best way to keep me up to date on all of the different stocks you guys are looking at. And then I will just slowly start integrating them into daily things that I just cover. But yeah, definitely start doing that. RSR, we're already up. We're running. Here we go. Oh, RSR, no. You have support sitting at 4787. You're in no man's land right now, so this is extremely hard to tell. Are you going to go up? Are you going to go down? Very hard to tell. You just got back into your downtrend. We're going to get rid of this uptrend because it doesn't matter anymore. But yeah, you are definitely looking for that 4787. RSR could continue its descent, even though it's oversold. Even though it's oversold, it can continue down. But that's where I'd be looking for support. Oh boy, another 35% downside. Damn, that's rough. RSR looking bleak. It's the fact that you're in no man's land that's the biggest problem. You're in between two levels. There's not much here. I mean, even if you decided to put like this as a level of support, you're below it also. You can see how it's interacted with this line. You're sitting right below it also. Oh, Hayden in the Discord, what's up? The YouTube shorts are nice to see. Seems to be working out well. Yeah, the shorts are doing relatively well, especially the last one where I talked about the tariffs. So now I'm figuring out I need to talk a bit more about things that people can argue about or get mad about or something. They get more views. So we gotta boost the views here, guys. And I'm trying to figure that out. I would like for this YouTube thing to work out extremely well. It's just, man, figuring out this algorithm's tough. It is tough. I'm just not built for this stuff, you know? Just not built for it. Alright, let's see where your 886 would be. What the fuck? Okay. So you're almost to the 886. Maybe you find some support down at 5858. Just maybe. You could. It's possible. So if you do find support off that, maybe it's only 23% downside. I would feel way more comfortable on weekly support though. So I'm looking for that 36% downside. Looking for that. Anyways, moving right along. We have Landwolf. Landwolf ETH. This thing. I don't know what this is. It's getting devastated. Where's that? Milk always finds some very interesting tokens, and I'm not sure how he keeps finding them. Alright, looks like you could very well be coming all the way down to 189888699. That is a lot of numbers. That is tough. Sorry, 198125. Okay. You are not oversold on the weekly. You could see another 61% to the downside. You're not oversold on the daily either. You could see that. Hey, Porky, did you already cover Sui? I did. I did. We're looking for a bounce and then possibly more downside. Kind of the theme of the night. Bounce, then more upside. We're just trying to figure out where that bounce could be to. Oh no, an emergency stream. What's up, James? How you doing? Oh yeah, market's toasted. Toasted. We are wrecked city over here. It's a fire sale. You're going to hear a lot of YouTubers say that shit. And it's like, hold on. Let's make sure we're putting in our bottoms. Hold on there. The fire sale could get better. Like, just hold your horses there, buddy. We could see Landwolf get a 66% bounce to the upside before seeing more lower prices. So this looks okay. Can I check out Helium HNT? Sure. By the way, everybody, just a reminder to anybody who's new also, if you guys do want to jump the line, a very easy way to do that is become a member. Members do get their charts looked at first. They have priority outside of all the ladies or lady members. Lady members get first priority. But if you don't want to become a member, you don't want to put in the $5 a month that hopefully I could either save you or help you gain, then you could always make a donation. Donations, they'll just come either if it's under $5 after the members' requests, or if it's over $5 before all their requests. It's kind of up to you. We do have that as a thank you to all the members. Also, members on Tuesdays and Thursdays, it is members only chat, so everyone can see the live stream, but only the members can request their charts. Anyways, if you join the Discord, you can request your chart at any time. So there's that also. I have plenty of free options, but I do like to say thank you in the ways that I can to all the members who are supporting the channel. All right, now that I'm done saying that little spiel, we could see this thing go up 66% on a beautiful golden retrace. But after that, I would still be looking for more downside, and I would be looking for a possible 77% drop. 2.15 billion liquidated. Wow, that is crazy. Trump about to make Canada and Mexico pay their share. That's true. That's true. He's going to make them pay. I'm just wondering if Mexico is going to try and retaliate also, because if Mexico retaliates, that could get a little crazy. We do import a lot more from Mexico than we do Canada. So we're going to see how that goes. All right, VVV, this one's for you. DZ, this one's for you. Why'd you ask for this? I can't imagine why you thought this was a good request. What the hell am I doing here? Oh my god. VVV. Keep on doing your thing, brother. You'll grow. Well, W, thank you very much for that. I certainly hope I do. Lost $15 on only $50 in Link. That's tough. But Link actually looks really good, James. So I would hang on to Link. Unless you are futures trading. Then, best of luck to you, brother. 4 hour, you don't even have bullish divergence. Let's just say you get a chance to the upside. A chance. Not saying you will. But you could see like 361% upside possible. I just realized I'm on the 4 hour. Good God. Let's check the daily. AVAX, please. Don't worry. It's on the list. I got you. We'll get there. We'll get there. I live in Mexico. Tomorrow the president will announce any retaliation, but people are pissed. Oh, really? That's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. I was only in spot during the drop. Oh, that's good, James. Spot's not a bad place to be. Right now where Link is, you could definitely start stacking. You could start stacking. Let's check our 1 hour. I'm doing my best here. There's just not much to go off of. You do have bullish divergence right now, so you're going to expect some form of bounce. The only problem is the bounce could be way less than you think. Yikes. All right, so the bounce, I would honestly be looking at VVV as something like this, where the bounce just maybe, if you're lucky, 51 to 70% upside, 69% upside, something like that. Let off my short yesterday. I'm disappointed in myself for that, but I want give me a bear bias, and I don't want to focus on BTC position going into the biggest stock sale tomorrow. I think there's going to be extended downside in the stock market. I'm just being honest. I'm liquid until I see if stuff bottoms tomorrow. Jim, smart move. Smart move, Jim. Smart move. I'm just looking for nice golden retraces to get into more shorts, if I'm being honest. That's what I want. I'm like, hey, bring on the shorts. I will short the daylights out of this market. As great as it is to see number go up, that's for my long-term holds. I love shorting the market. You make so much money so quickly to the downside. Just so quickly. Hey man, did you cover Snack? No, I did not. I did not cover Snack. Can I check coin? Sure, we'll check out some coin. Coin. My sister's ex-boyfriend came in my work and was shorting XRP. Was so jealous I couldn't snipe. Oh, that's funny. I get a free Nvidia share soon. That's crazy. TECLK and what? Going to crash tomorrow? Really? Did we look at Ondo? No, we did not. Ondo. You best believe I want 100 a share ASAP. Oh boy. Oh boy. T Outlaw, do you want me to check those out? I can write those down. TECL and SOXL. Got it. Got it. Let's check out some coin. So this is what I see out of VVVDZ. This one not looking great, but on a nice golden retrace, you could see that 69% move to the upside. You could see it. God damn it. Alright, coin. Checking out coin. Now, let's go into our daily. Oh, this is about to get devastated tomorrow. Devastated. I'm not even bullish on it anymore. Bitcoin took a dip. This thing's gonna dip. It's gonna dip bad too. Gonna dip bad. So now that I know a dip came and I'm not as bullish as I was before, this was your golden retrace. See how that lined up perfectly like that? We had just more. Oh shit. We have a downtrend to work off of for coin. Oh shit. Oh, that's bad. Oh, that's bad. You're getting the second leg down now. Ah, be ready for some pain. Be ready for the pain. 173. Ugh. Coin. 173. 41% downside. Oh my god. 40%. That's a market crash, isn't it? Oh my god. So yeah, coin. I'm not seeing anything good here. I think they're going to go risk off in the worst type of way. That's not a good look. Oh, you did have bearish divergence. That's your first lower high. Oh, shit. All right, coin, everybody. We going down. So glad I sold coin in profit. Yeah, that's a good thing. Shorted a few of the stuff I was in. Easy money. Yep. Immaculate SWFTC bounce off the 786. Really? Really? Not bad, not bad. I was going to hold it with Stocat. No, I'm dumping my crypto on the Robinhood. Okay. Done with crypto on Robinhood now because I can only do a long only on Robinhood. Really? You can only go long on Robinhood? That's crazy. I didn't know that. I did not know that. Wow. But yeah, so coin, I'm looking at 40% downside for Coinbase. Coinbase is about to see a little bit of devastation coming tomorrow to a chart near you. Anyways, let's move along. We got C98, which unfortunately I have been accumulating. Could be rough. Hey man, what did you think about XRP? XRP, I could see it getting down to $1.55, but it might be catching a nice bounce right now. So, yeah. Catching a nice bounce, but I think 155 is definitely in the cards. Incredible 0.25 bounce to 349. Nice. Crazy. Starting at 200 Bitcoin short through the ETF on Robinhood. That's wild. You're shorting the ETF. That's wild. That was wild, man. C98. I shouldn't be putting a slash. What am I doing? What am I doing? All right. C98, disappointing. I have been accumulating. I was expecting the golden retrace, but man, did we get fucked up out here. Now I don't even want to own this thing. Oh, hold on, everybody. My wife is calling. Hold on. All right, I'm back. What do you think about using XRP in international payments and all the bank system? Could it be real? Maybe. I don't see how it's going to matter, though. All the banks are already holding XRP that they decided to buy it from, and now XRP has a stable coin. So I still can't figure out why they would want to use the XRP token that could change in price when they could use the XRP stable coin that they could just transfer over the ledger. I don't understand. Could you imagine if, like, when the whole market started crashing, the XRP price falling, and then it was like, wait, why did my $8 million transfer just lose 20%? What the fuck happened? You know, that would be kind of bad. They need XRP for commissions. So what? They need a single XRP for the next year because it costs so little to send mass amounts of XRP? I'm confused. That's something that I don't understand why they made a stablecoin. I really don't get it. But we're going to have to wait and see what they do with it. We'll see if the banks decide to move away from Swift. There's a lot in play there that I don't know. I don't know, man. We'll give you a general idea. Tomorrow's stock open is horrendous. Oh, you're talking about what just happened? Yeah. Could be terrible. Could be terrible. All right. Don't worry, Dr. Techno. I wrote down BLZ and spell. I got you. Stable remade for the future, I think. You think it's for the future? Maybe. I don't know. It's just their entire idea became very unclear to me as soon as they made that stable coin. I was like, why'd they do that? What? Uh-oh. XRP Army, you should be pissed. So this is a shame. What happened to C98? We're now in price discovery to the downside. We lost our bullish divergence. We lost our hidden bullish divergence. Absolutely terrible for C98. We're going to have to wait and see what happens. For customers, okay. Dr. Techno, no problem, man. No problem. Yeah, the fact that we have just made a lower low, I mean, I guess someone's going to argue we have bullish divergence. Someone's going to make that argument. There's bullish divergence. It's just C98, you better get your ass back above 10 cents. That's all I can say. But if we get a bearish backtest at that 10 cent level, 10.51, I am unloading my bags because, nope, I don't like to play around with this shit. It should not have fallen below this level at 893. Should not have done it. What? Oh. Love the interaction with live chat, brother. Many channels hardly comment during their live. That's a damn shame. That is a damn shame. What's the point in going live if you're not going to talk to the people, right? Oh, man. I pray for C98 tonight. Seriously, I'm praying too. C98 is getting wrecked. That is terrible. Ugh. Normally I would have a stop loss on this, but I took it off the exchanges, and that's my fault. But, meh. Oh, well. Oh, well. Is what it is. I'm just hanging on to it longer. XRP creators are the only obstacle to Bitcoin Reserve because they position millions of dollars to politicians. Yeah, they've been lobbying against it nonstop. So Bitcoin maxis actually really hate the XRP army right now. Like, they really do hate them. They're like, what the hell, man? What are you doing? They're like, you should use us. I'm like, no. Price discovery to the downside. No man's land. Bear shorting with no references. Yeah, it's really bad when this happens. It is really bad. If Trump works out a deal with Canada and Mexico, how fast will we see a reversal? He's not going to. He's not going to. They have to fix their borders first. But he basically said he is not going to. He is going to leave these tariffs for a long term because he believes they have to pay for the amount of damage they did to the U.S. So we don't even have to think about that. Should I be selling your holdings? Harry, I can never give you financial advice, but all I can tell you is I'm not selling until I see what happens after a bounce to the upside. I never sell when it's complete red candles. Always wait for your bounce. Always. You never just panic sell. You gotta wait. I don't understand at all why create Bitcoin Reserve if it can be Rug, Satoshi, or BlackRock while XRP is super safe. XRP is not super safe. It can be rugged by all the banks that have gotten XRP. It is not super safe. XRP has been selling to banks for the last 5 years straight. Every single time the escrow account releases coins, they sell them to banks. So it is not safe at all. Banks can rug pull the absolute daylights out of XRP. They have been buying over the counter nonstop for 5 years. That's why the price was suppressed for 5 years straight. It did terrible because they were just selling directly to banks. What's up, Big Mike? How you doing? Thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate you. You think tomorrow red or green recovery day? I would guess red day, especially in the morning. Maybe toward the end of the day we start getting some bids, but we're going to have to wait and see. Well, the stock market hasn't dumped yet. Think about that. I mean, yeah, sort of. It's just futures trading right now. You're going to get the rest of the stock market to come in tomorrow morning. We're going to have to wait and see. Well, if they're going to use XRP in the banking system, there's no point in dumping it. Yeah, but notice what you just said. If. Like that right there. The fact that there's doubt in your mind, that's the problem with XRP. I'm going shopping for new longs tomorrow. All right, Jim. I mean, it is a devastating blow. We're looking for bounces to the upside. So going shopping for longs is not the wrong idea. I just want to see how high it goes. Like, I'm looking for these bounces. That's about it. All right, let's get into our next one. We got BLZ. Now, BLZ, I did see it went down quite a bit, and I was shocked. I was like, how? How are there still coins to sell? I don't get it, but it did go down, and you're finding support. Holy shit. This is what bottoming out looks like. So, hey, you're still in play for upside. 69% possibly, based off the falling wedge. You're holding. Go figure. BLZ. Hanging in there. Jeez. Let's see if it gets below 3504. BLZ, hanging in there. Let's go ahead and check out Spell. Let's check out some Spell. But you agree that XRP could be the new digital gold? No, I don't agree with that at all. Simply because we know who made it. We interact with them all the time. I don't think they could be digital gold ever. Everyone leave a like. Definitely leave a like, everybody. No, as a financial instrument, sure. They definitely could be used as that. But as digital gold, no, that's not its purpose. That has never been XRP's purpose. Bitcoin, that has been its purpose, is to fight against inflation, be able to send money across borders without being stopped by any bank. Now understand what I just said. Without being stopped by any bank. XRP wants to work directly with banks. So they are completely different. That means that the banks will have some control at some point in time. So that is what's the main difference between XRP and Bitcoin. SPX 6900 dropped to 59 cents. That's wild. It dropped that low? Sheesh. Alright, Spell. God, what a pullback. You almost got 100% retrace from your recent rally. Jesus. Did you get an 886 though? Is that where you're catching a bounce? Almost got the 886. So close. Well, if this will be the only crypto financial instrument for banks, it will be very important and well valued. It could be. It's just all speculation right now. So if you're gonna speculate on it, hey, I wish you the best of luck. I hope you're right. I hope you make millions from it. Honestly, I want everybody out here to make tons of money. It is in my best interest that you make tons of money. I'm only out here to do TA on it. So that's all I'm here for. I'm just doing my TA. So I do hope your bet is right. Me personally, I'm not taking that bet. I don't like how the XRP army can hype it up for so long and then it just did nothing. And I was like, wow, I just wasted my time holding this thing for 2 years. That drove me nuts. So I don't personally want to hold XRP, but I will hold XLM. I'll hold Stellar Lumens all day. I'm good with that. But XRP, nah, the XRP army needs to chill, brother. They need to be like more like the Doge community. Dogecoin millionaires are the best because they talk about how they make poor decisions. I love it. All right, looking at the 4-hour time frame for Spell, you're just oversold. That's all you are. You are oversold. Looking at the 1 hour, you have no bullish divergence. Oh my god, really? Okay, there's bullish divergence. Golly, that was shocking. All right, so now I'm going to be looking for that golden retrace, but it's not very much. Spell not looking great right now. You could see a 12% move to the upside before further downside, more than likely seeing 7336. Yikes. That's terrible. That's awful. I hate it, but it is a possibility. So this is what I see out of Spell. If you break to the upside, fantastic. Your bullish case right now, this second, at the point of me streaming, 48% upside. But if you just get to that golden retrace at the 619, you can see another 35% drop for Spell. Spell is looking for a lifeline, maybe a life raft, a gobstopper, something. It needs some help. It really does. But that's Spell. Let's move on to CRO. CRO. Chronos used to be known as Crypto.com, like the Crypto.com arena. So currently we are just looking for this right here, because on your 1 hour you do not have bullish divergence. Oh my goodness. Alright, bearish consolidation. Let's go. Sheesh. Alright, hey Porky, made it to your live stream. What a bloodbath we got now. So, Proppy only down 8%. Nice. Buy some Sui down 20%. That's not bad, not bad. Everything should be catching a nice little bounce, but I think we're going to see more downside. We have no bullish divergence. Guys, if you guys do want a chance to see another crypto YouTuber, it is Meet Damien. He is right here in the chat. You guys should check him out. He goes live at a completely different time than me. He has a wonderful accent. He even has great hair. It's not on the top of his head, but it is on his face. That was one hell of goatee, sir. But yeah, go check him out. Go check him out. Banks suck. Wells Fargo canceled my account last week. Did not give a reason, but I bought a good bit of crypto that week. I'm going. You're about to go bankless? That's wild. That's absolutely wild. So you think they stopped you because you were buying crypto? I mean, they do look at you as high risk. They really do. All right, so right now we could see 19% bounce to the upside, but considering CRO did make, oh wow, I called the nice. I called the downside. Anyways, considering that would be a bearish golden retrace, we could then see it fall 43 more percent. This could get rough. Dogecoin. We'll check out some Doge. Doge. The Doge. All right. Yeah, I want to buy some more Sui, but I want to see how far we go down tomorrow. Could we get a turnaround Tuesday in the market? It could be a turnaround Tuesday. It really could be. I'm hoping for that. Turnaround Tuesday would be great. But, like, you know, Thirsty Thursday is always better. Thirsty Thursdays. Or they just start sending the market up screaming. They could do that, too. That would be nice for a little Valentine's Day pump. That would be nice. Aptos, our sun solar, welcome into the chat. How you doing today? Welcome in. Oh, there's no way. There's no way they're doing this. What the? Okay, alright. Maybe we see way worse price action and we stop at 10091 and then we roll over to, oh my goodness, this could be way worse. Could be way worse. Can I check mask, please? Sure. Sure, D nice. Sure, mask. Mask and Aptos. We will check out Aptos again. APT. Aptos. Gotcha covered there. Anyways, yeah, what I'm seeing out of CRO, if this thing starts selling off again, being this oversold, that's kind of disgusting. I would expect the 19% move, but if it gets worse, you might just go down and touch some support, which would be another 31% downside. This is my least likely scenario right now. I would be expecting the oversold bounce. That's my expectation, but expectations are always meant to not be met. Always meant to not be met. It is what it is. Would you mind checking SWFTC? Got you covered. SWFTC. Got you covered, Jim. Got you covered. All right, moving along. We have Hype. Hyper Liquid. So let's see what happened here. Wow. We got that 13% move to the downside. Beautiful. And then some. We're getting our bullish divergence on the 1 hour. Hold on here. We're now waiting for that higher low? Excuse me? Wow. I'm not expecting a higher low. I'm expecting more downside. I'm expecting more downside. You had the bearish oh man, I'm expecting way more downside. Hold on. Let's go to the 4 hour. Do we have it here too? Sorta. This doesn't look that bad. Why does it look so strong? This doesn't look that bad at all. What happened today? The markets opened up their futures and Wall Street freaked out over something changed. That's really what happened. That's about it. We are maintaining higher lows. Holy crap. This thing is in play for more upside. That's actually insane. All this because of tariffs? No, all this because of uncertainty. The tariffs weren't really the big deal. It's the uncertainty that comes behind it. That's the big deal. Move like a mudslide. Wait, what? Alright, checking out our daily. That's so strange. This thing has the possibility of going up. I'm saying a possibility because noted, it is brand new. It is new. But you have broken out. You've maintained higher lows. Even through all the chaos, you're still making higher lows. I don't know what's up with Hyperliquid, but man, it has the possibility of being a varsity athlete. This thing could actually run the mile in 3 minutes flat. It might even be able to bench press 78 pounds while sprinting. I don't even understand. 171% upside is technically in play right now. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. Looking at our 1 hour. 1 hour, I mean, it's just this bullish divergence that I'm paying attention to. And also, did you? Okay, you cleared the lows, so that's fine. Except for right here. What? I don't even understand where this thing's finding the strength. All right, bearish case. We're gonna focus on this bearish case because I don't want to believe it. I don't want to believe it. I don't want to live in la la land where I'm just like things are going up just because it was strong. Nah, we're not doing that. We're looking at this as you hit a bearish 5-0 and you very well, because you lost support, you could see this thing fall down another 34%. Here's your bearish case. But your bullish case looks absolutely amazing. 170% upside or 34% downside. I don't think the bulls want to give it to you. So I think that 34% downside could be playing out. And this could be the best trade of the night. Because, wow, that was some power. Also, your moving averages are rolling over. Tall tail sign, you're going down. But, man, it was nice to hope, right? It was nice to hope. I think we're going down. But holy moly, not oversold on the 4 hour either. You just lost your 200 simple. Yikes. I'm thinking downside. Do you get the varsity athlete saying from crypto YouTuber Mitch Ray? I know he says that a lot as well. It's funny because I've been saying that like from training, from football, from all that. When I heard him say it while he was live one day, I laughed because I was like, hey, I said that too. Then I found out he played football also, and I was like, makes sense. So, yeah, it's funny because technically we do have the same term. But the only reason it can flow out easily is because I've been saying it for years. And I'm sure he has also. So it's just one of those things. It's just one of those things. And then all of a sudden you see it's like, it's the B team. The fuck? What's up, my boy? What's up, Bait? How you doing? Welcome in. Yeah, so 34% downside is what I'm looking for. More than likely, you could see 37% hitting a touch of support. We're cooked. Yeah, yep, could be cooked. I think Mitch Ray gets that saying from the Sopranos. I did not watch The Sopranos. When I was in high school and we were freshmen, everything was about becoming a varsity athlete to my head coach of varsity. So it was just like, one day I'm going to be a varsity athlete. One day. And so we just kept saying it for the rest of our lives. It's going down. I'm yelling timber, right? Did we look at Super Porky? Yes, DZ, we did look at Super. We also looked at your VVV. I'm getting through the list, guys. I'm getting through it. All right, XCN is next. XCN, you are not done falling, but man, you are finding some support. Sheesh. Let's just zoom out real quick. This was your first leg down. You popped up. You're now making your second leg down. My price target for XCN is to come all the way down here to 52933. Tony Soprano says it. I need to watch that. I need to watch The Sopranos. I didn't know that. I'm getting news today. That I did not know that. Well, yeah, XCN, you still have a bit of downside. I was calling this one out as soon as we made that first lower high. I was like, oh, we're going down. This is the best time to short it. Nobody wanted to believe me. That's fine. It's fine. You don't have to believe me. It's fine. You're going to believe me when we get down here to 52933. You're going to believe me then. But we're waiting for it. We are waiting for it. I think that might also be an 886. Now that I think about it. Golly. This thing came up from literally the underworld. Like, it just shot up like a rocket. I have no idea why. It would be slightly lower than your 886. Interesting. Interesting. What up with the indicator? With that indicator, can we look at bio? We can look at bio. Wait, which indicator? Oh, are you talking about this one down here? So we were in a Discord chat yesterday. This is Market Cipher B, which I was noticing it is crazy accurate on the 15-minute. And this is the free version. So it's Market Cipher B free version. 15-minute time frame. This thing is like a godsend. It is crazy. Crazy accurate. I just didn't take it off my charts. So it's still up there. It is throwing me off because I don't have as much chart space as I did before, but it looks good though. It hit over 1 billion 24-hour volume on uptrend. Oh my god, you're talking about XCN? That's what it did? That's crazy. 1 billion in volume? And I can't even figure out why. Wow. Wow. Too bad you're crashing down now. You just put in your first red sell on the daily. Looking like we going down hard. So there's a lot left on the bone of this one. You could see another 76% downside on XCN. XCN is just, it's going to be selling off for months. Months. It's going to be crazy. Unless it gets down there really fast. If it gets down there really fast, then, you know, that'll be nice. But, yeah, that's XCN. All right, AVAX is next. AVAX coming in hot. Finding support off 2134. Beautiful. It was probably either institution interest or the DAO contract pumping it. Wait, you mean somebody's DAO could actually pump it that much? That's crazy. I would have never guessed that, actually. That's kind of wild. It's kind of wild. All right, so the upside, we're not even going to talk about that anymore because we just got devastated on AVAX. AVAX, in my opinion, it is one of the most undervalued cryptos in the space right now. This thing's new upgrade is beastly. It looks amazing. Let's go AVAX. XCN is an ISO coin, kind of like XRP. It's a good pick. Really? Go figure. I didn't know that. You guys are teaching me a lot today. You guys are teaching me a lot. I love it. I love it. The more I can learn, the better. So I can talk trash about it as it goes down in the bear market. It's going to be awesome. Make sure you stay tuned for that. I definitely talk some trash about some coins. I definitely do that. If you don't know how to short, nothing is a good pick right now. That's fair. That's fair. All right, so right now, if AVAX does not hold 2134, you're going to be looking for support at 1539. Let's hope that doesn't happen. Let's really hope. You do have this downtrend that did form on the weekly, and that is after you formed bearish divergence. You were really hoping that this was going to just solve it and we could see higher highs. Didn't happen. So now we are stuck in this consolidation. That was your first lower low. This thing could be in a new world of hurt. Right now, your downtrending level of support that you do have to pay attention to is this right here on the weekly. So if you do see some crazy crashing of AVAX's price, you could see yourself go all the way down another 67% is a possibility. I'm not saying it's going to happen. I'm just saying it's a possibility. I've also never seen a golden cross on the weekly get so disrespected to where we get a death cross right after. That is amazing. Anyways, I digress. Man, I need to fork up the cash for TradingView and start improving my TA. Definitely do it, Jim. Definitely do it. Actually, it's funny because the only difference between the free TradingView and the more like the membership one, it's the amount of indicators. You can get away with 3 indicators. It's not very hard. If you have your moving averages, if you have relative strength and a MACD, you're doing just fine. You're doing just fine. The only part that's annoying, you only get 1 alert. That 1 alert, man, that holds you back. That holds you back a lot. Your basic form of membership, you get 20 alerts. Your level up from that, you get over 100 alerts, which also I'm like, what does that person's watch list look like? Why do you have 100 alert? That's crazy. I don't use that one because I don't see the point. But then also you can use a plethora of other indicators, and I'm like, wow, that's crazy. I think right now I can have up to 7 indicators, and that's excessive to me. I don't need that many. The fact that I have 4 indicators down below, this is too much clutter already. I need your alert list. Okay, yeah, that would be the whole point. That alert list. You get more charts at one time too. You get more charts at one time. That's cool. I think I can do that, but I always just look at 1 chart at a time. Yeah, that's about it. It just seems excessive. Right now for AVAX, we're going to be looking for a golden retrace, which hopefully we get it, getting back up to $30.47. But understand, you do not have bullish divergence. You do not have a breakout. You do not have anything telling you will go up past that. So understand, you get a 30% move to the upside, look for shorting. Because until you break out of this downtrend, you just stay bearish. Stay bearish. Bearish until broken out, back test, and higher low. Stay bearish. Stay bearish, my friends. I'm like the Dos Equis commercial of bears. Like 30-day free trial included with TradingView. Is there really? I didn't know that. That's interesting. I did not know that. All right, so that's AVAX. That's what I'm looking at right now. Just hope for that 30% pop to the upside. Checking out HNT next. HNT. So HNT right now, you're trying to find support at $2.94. Oh, you don't want to lose that. You really don't. But hold on. Hold the phone. HNT is giving us what we want on the daily. It's giving it to us. Oh boy. You're getting that higher low. You're getting that bullish divergence. You're getting hope on a golden platter right here. This is great. This is fantastic. There's your downtrend. You still need to break out, still need a back test. You need a little bit of hopium in your life. But right now on the golden retrace, what you're going to be looking for on HNT, as long as you hold above $2.94, we could see this thing rally up 88%. I still want the breakout and the back test of support. I still want it. Once we get that, hey, green light, let's go to the upside. If you don't get it, well, I'll see you in Valhalla. $2.20. See you in Valhalla. But hopefully that holds. Hopefully, that would be great. That's what I see out of HNT. Let's check out Ondo. Ondo. Hold on. I might actually want to trade this. Hold on. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. That is disappointing on the 4-hour. Wow, that is bleak. But you still have your bullish divergence, waiting for that higher low. Poke. Take a look at TLOS. It's basically underground now. We will check it out. TLOS. We'll check that out. All right, hold on. I'm probably gonna get in a trade on this. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. Checking out the 1 hour. 1 hour. Dang, this doesn't look fantastic. It's trying to be fantastic. It's really trying. So now we're going to look at a beauty of a bounce. The low should be in. You're expecting this not to go lower right now. That's the expectation. Is it going to work out that way? Probably not, because we don't trade off hopes and dreams. We trade off confirmation. Anyways, we could see a 21% move to the upside, and this could happen overnight. HNT looking surprisingly bullish right now, in my opinion. Let's check out our 15-minute. Do we have anything to go up? No, we don't. Still have the bullish divergence. We do not, and I repeat, do not have that higher low that I would love to see. That's too bad. We're waiting for the higher low. We are waiting patiently. But HNT, I think right now is our best bet to put on a long. Just maybe. So if I was looking to enter this bad boy, let's wait until we get that 886 or 786 retracement. I would love to see this thing stop at this level right here. $3.037. I'm setting the alerts. I do want this trade. HNT looking pretty sauced up, caked up. Booty so fat, don't even know how I got in them jeans. This is what I'm looking for right here for a long. And that long could consist of a possible 28% move to the upside. That's what I want. We'll see if it pans out. The alert is set. Anyways, moving along. Got Ondo. Ondo. Check it out, Ondo. Oh boy. Oh boy, you're finding tons of support here. Holy shit. You're still broken out, and this could be a formal backtest? Wild. Absolutely wild. Ondo. Wild. But you did get that bearish retrace. Interesting. Double top-ish? We could see more downside on Ondo. It is a possibility. We could see Ondo trade all the way down to 76.86, 76.986. We could also see it go as low as 59656. These are your possible downside targets. But we got to see what happens in this thing. Got to see what happens. Oh, that double toppiness, that's what's getting me right now. This level right here at $1.64846 acted as a double top before the sell-off. You do not have bullish divergence on the 4-hour. Wow. You do not. You do not have hidden bullish divergence either. This thing could continue selling off. Beauty. Beauty. Beautiful. So Ondo, if you were looking to short it, you're going to want to pay attention. See if it pops up to this $1.37 level as a lower high. If you get that lower high, this thing could start selling off into the abyss. Let's see what happens with Ondo. Ondo does look the strongest out of the RWA coins out there, or close to it. It really does look extremely strong. I'm just not convinced that that was the low, because you do have a supply line below it. This supply line down here, and you did not test it. So I'm not convinced. I want to see what happens when you try to get back up here. I want to see what happens. I would love to see it, because it just looks like we're downtrending. Such a shame. ONG if you can. Mo money, I got you. ONG. OGN. Shoot. That would be terrible. OGN. Almost miswrote that down. Sheesh. But yeah, so I would like to see what happens. Your daily, you lost your 50, you lost your 100 simple moving averages. If you get a nice 24% move to the upside, great. But if you find resistance here and you cannot break above it, I will see you much lower. Much lower. Could see something like this play out. It might take a while, but you could see another 44% downside out of Ondo. These moving averages can be very mean. On your daily, you just got your first red sell on the MACD. Your sell pressure looked like it was going down, but you did get a rise in your buying pressure with the same high. Oh, take it back. Hold on. Yeah, we're going to see what happens here. We're going to see. It looks strong. It looks bad. It looks strange, in my opinion. I'm thinking that 24.99% upside, more than likely it's going to play out as a nice bounce. But I am very cautious here. The last dirty shirt out of all the dirty laundry coins out there. Yeah. I don't like it when it's hard to read like this. It's this double top that's keeping me so engaged in this thing. I don't like the double tops. I really don't. Anyways, moving along. I think, yeah, that bounce to the upside, I think that's going to happen. It's really hard for me to see why it wouldn't happen, especially with the extreme bullish divergence on the 1 hour. I would expect it to go up and go test some resistance. That would also be lining up with a bearish backtest of your 200 simple moving average on the 1 hour. That might be your opportunity to short this thing. Anyways, we'll see. We'll see. TECL. TECL. Let's check this one out for Outlaw. All right, Outlaw. What do we got here? What do we got? Is that bearish divergence? Is that what I'm seeing here? No, it's not. Yes, it is. Oh, you do have bearish divergence and a lower high. This thing's gonna get wrecked. Oh no. Oh, that's terrible. This is gonna be bad. This one's gonna be really bad. That rounded top on the weekly. Oh no. This is gonna be so bad. Oh man. I kind of feel bad for whoever thinks it's gonna go up. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. A weekly bearish backtest? No. That's so bad. Oh god. You got a little support right below you. You got a little support down here. 74.54. You're hoping it holds. You're hoping it holds. If it doesn't hold, oh, it's like a little pocket. You're expecting the pocket to hold. So, more than likely, we'll see you at 69.35. If you lose that, I feel bad. I feel bad for you, brother. These are the levels I'm most concerned with. But if this acts anything like a crypto and we get extended downside, this could be really bad. Please help me out with WorldCoin. Bullish Whiz. What do you need help with? Are you trying to scan your eyes to get some free coin? I'm interested to know. Okay. Alright, so in the worst case scenario, you have 3 targets here. First target, 19% downside. Second target, you could be looking at 33% downside. And the whole kit and caboodle, probably 54% downside. Are AI coins worth investing? Maybe. I don't know. I can't give financial advice. You're buying puts? I mean, I would too. I would too. BTC slowly curling over again. Oh no, I'm not leveraged. I've been live for too long. Also, it's a new 4-hour candle. Makes sense. Makes sense. What am I missing? Uh-oh. Oh, thanks, bro. No problem. No problem, man. Really, BRB shorting. Double bottom, maybe? What? Curling over. You mean curling up? Is that what you mean, Rich? So, yeah, this is what I'm seeing for this particular asset. We will see if this plays out. But your weekly does look like it's ready to start falling. Your daily time frame has plenty of room to the downside. Plenty of room. Jeez. Yeah, this thing, I mean, that's a lot of downside. That's a lot of downside. If you get back down to 39.08, though, rough. Black Swan event this week. Bullish Whiz, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate you. Thank you. Kevin, if it's a black swan, you won't see it coming. So we might still have a black swan ahead. Nope, it's going down. Okay, cool. I'm okay with it going down. That's fine. But I would prefer to get the bullish back test of something. You know, get a little green in here before it falls over. That would be nice. That would be nice. Man, Tether is going nuts. Really? Tether going nuts? All right, next, let's go ahead and check out the next stock on the list is SOXL. XOXL. Let's... this looks strange. I don't like this one. I don't like this. You're below your 200, so that is a problem. But I don't like this one. Let's check out your weekly. Let's see if there's something I like. But yeah, I really don't like this one. This is not ideal. But you lost your 200 weekly also. You're probably going down bad. Probably going down bad. Now we're just looking for levels where you can catch bounces. Because you just lost a level too. Right there. You just lost this level. And you bearishly backtested it. Oof. Didn't want to see that. Now I'd be looking for this peak back here. You could see this thing fall to 21.23. You lose that level. Could find yourself at 13.91. That's what I'm seeing out of this one. This looks ugly. I don't like it. The gap down is even worse. Technically retraced from 91 to 95. Oh, that's cool. But I mean like a real retracement. You know, not that tiny little nonsense. I don't want that. Oh, this one does not look great. It really doesn't. There's our downtrend. Did we just lose our uptrending level of support? No, we're trying to hold it. So I guess we have this consolidation right here. If we stay bouncing around in this, we could see it pop up just a little bit. You sold your Nvidia options call early. Had the 130 March 7 calls. Dang. Wild. Smart to sell it early though. I think that's going back into the 90s. I think it's going back to the 90s. We're going to see though. Alright, if this wants to keep bouncing around in here and not actually fall off and die, noted, you are bearishly backtesting. Your bullish case here, maybe you go up, you test that 200 simple at the 36% upside. But your downside here, you're looking at anywhere between 20 to 46% downside. And noted, your second target would actually be the measured move of this. Second target, 76% downside, getting back to $6. Yikes. We're going to have to wait and see what happens on this one. Wait for tomorrow, see what direction it goes. Right now, it's showing that it should break to the downside, but there's also signs that there's accumulation happening. You could be going up. No problem, Outlaw. No problem. This one is confusing. I don't like this one. It's not certain where it's going. I wish I knew more about this thing. If this thing is not a tech stock, you really could be going up 36%. I think we're going to be going into risk off. That's the whole thing. I think we're going into risk off. But that's just what I see. Let's check out some Dogecoin. Oh my goodness. You have support at 18 cents. You'll get there eventually. Jeez. Dogecoin. So bad. Thought you were going to break to the upside. Thought you were going to do it. Yesterday, I know I called for some downside. I didn't think it'd go that far. I wasn't serious. You didn't have to do that. Didn't have to do us dirty, man. Jeez. Oh. So oversold, though. Have I done Plume? Nope, have not done Plume. No one has asked for Plume. No one. I gotta do Mask and Aptos again. Aptos again. Alright, Dogecoin, what would be nice to see is a nice little golden retrace, maybe even a back test That would be nice. So if we could get Doge to come up 24%, that would be great, because then we're set up for way more downside. In order for us to get that bullish divergence, we would then have to see a price go even further down with higher relative strength. So that's all we're waiting for. Get a little bit of bullish div before we can say, hey, we're going up. But right now, we're just getting that oversold bounce to the upside. We'll see how long it takes for it to start going up. I mean, we very well could see a green day tomorrow. We very well could. And then it could just be a bad Tuesday, bad Wednesday. Yeah, it could get rough. It could get rough. Could get rough. Let's check out some mask. Mask. Showing the bullish divergence. This is what we want to see. This is good. It sucks that you didn't test the 184, but you do have bullish divergence. This is good for mask. On the 4 hour at least. Let's check your daily. Daily time frame. Boy. Nothing really of note on the daily here. Oh, that was your sign. That was your sign. You're going lower. Sheesh. You technically have bullish divergence on the daily, even though you're below your 200 and probably going to get a death cross. You technically have it. If bulls decide, they could make this thing run up. Did you get an 886 on top of that? Oh my Lanta, you almost did. Wow. It's like a dream. It's like a dream. I'm not going to be crazy bullish on this because you're still in a downtrend. So don't expect me to be like, it's going to new highs. Nah. We're just looking for that golden retrace, if anything. And I wouldn't even go from the absolute high to low. I would be looking at it from this high right here to low. And so just maybe, we get a move up 20%, bearishly backtesting our 50 simple moving average on the daily, and then we roll right on over. That would be my opinion of what could be happening. Your 1 hour really needs to pull it together, but it does look like you're already flipping your moving averages on the 1 hour. So I do have some high hopes for this 20% move on mask. That is what I'd be looking for. Oh, go figure. Go figure. Let's see what the 15's doing. Your 15 doesn't look horrible, except for the bearish divergence that already pulled back. And now extended bearish divergence is still there. Okay, alright. So Mask doesn't know what it wants. Mask it's the typical girlfriend sitting at the house, chilling on the couch, and she's like, I want something to eat. What do you want to eat? And then also you're like, I don't know, you're the one that's hungry. Where do you want to go? Well, I can't decide. You pick. Ugh. That's Mask right now. That's what it is. Yeah. So, bullish case, 20% upside. Bearish case, go touch some support. Bearish case scenario, you're going to go touch some support at 19% downside. It's a flip of a coin where it could go. Flip of a coin. So, I wish you the best in your gamble. Hopefully it pans out. That was Mask. Let's go look at Aptos once again. Then whatever you pick, she just rolls her eyes, right? It's like, I thought you didn't care. Like, well, I don't want that. It's like, looks like Aptos is trying to make its higher low right now, trying to give us a reason to buy in, but we already got that bullish divergence technically based off this low right here and this low right here. We're just waiting for that higher low. Now I want some Whataburger. Oh, that's pretty funny. That's pretty funny. Like, great. Now I'm hungry. Thanks a lot. So yeah, right now for Aptos, all that we're looking for is just a golden retrace. Maybe we get as high as a 44% move, but your golden retrace right now, you're looking at $6.96. So let's just say you do get that golden retrace. 35% upside is a possibility. You like Aptos, huh, Porky? No, just it was requested. It was requested, man. That's your bullish case right now, as you see a 36% move to the upside. However, understand, you could still see another 31% downside touching support at $3.50. I am bearish until breakout. Bearish until breakout. And now that we have uncertainty in the market, I think there's going to be a lot of bearishness. How was it? Okay. How you feeling? Okay. You what? Yeah? What do you mean? You had 9 jars today. Okay. That's okay. He has extra. Okay. Alright. Love you. Yeah, actually. Alrighty. What did you ask? So, what are the most bullish coins for tonight going into the week? I think anything with bullish divergence on the weekly, and currently I believe that is Cava. I haven't seen it anywhere else yet. Based off the request, I haven't seen it anywhere else. So I think Cava right now is a standalone, but hey, there's no telling, brother. There's no telling. Anyways. Oh, wait. There was another one. Ondo looks surprisingly bullish, yet bearish at the same time. And then HNT. That one looks really good. It has bullish divergence on the daily. HNT looks really good. Anyways. Next up, SWFTC. Shit. Hold on. I gotta rearrange things. Hold on. My tissue just causing problems. There we go. All right. I'm situated. I have some dinner next to me. We're good. I'm gonna be here not for a long time, but for a good time. Anyways, got that moved away from me. We're good. We're great. We're awesome. Okay. SWFTC. So I called for the 28% move to the downside. We did it. Anybody who jumped in on that trade yesterday, congratulations. You listened. You profited. You did great. Is that a triple top? No, but you did get that first lower high. That's what gave me my signal. I was like, you going down, brother. You're going down. And it went down. Now, you're still not oversold, but you are finding very strong support off that 27.26.1. That's great. That's awesome. I'm looking for another lower high. So then we have a confirmed downtrend. Looks like your 1 hour is trying to give it to you. Oh, look at that. Let's see what our 15 is telling us. 15. Dang, Sally Struthers. Okay, good. Nice bearish consolidation. Beautiful. This looks fantastic for a so fantastic for a short. Oh my goodness. Here's your downtrend. You would think it's not going to cross that. We could very well see this thing fall down. Another 46% is a possibility to the downside. Let's check out RSR. We definitely did, Jason, but we'll check it out again for you. No worries. Alright, so this is what I could see playing out. However, you still have room to the upside. So it could go a bit higher. But, you know, this is what I'm seeing. This looks pretty. Let's just say it comes up here. You could see it rally on up to this level at 35786. You've been shorting it all day. Let's go, Jim. Let's go. Yeah, no, this thing looks ready for another short pretty soon. As long as you're not getting bullish divergence, short the hell out of it. Just short it. Don't even care. No discriminate. Just do it. Because, like, right here, you can see you got that bearish 5-0. You rolled on over perfectly to the 1618. See, it's this line right here I love taking. I love that. But since we know that played out, we can now bring this down just a wee bit. Bring this here. And then you're like, oh, we got that bearish 5-0, baby. We also are in a nice downtrend. We are now looking for, I would probably take this right here. 31% downside going to 21539. Triple top was such a signal. It really was. It really was. But yeah, this, I'm thinking another 31% down. Dang, this thing's getting wrecked hard. Hard. Getting more wrecked than that girl who decided to take on 100 dudes in a single day. Jeez. All right. That's what I'm seeing out of this. More downside potential. And, yeah, I mean, you got support down here at 11222. Maybe you get that low. Just maybe. We're going to have to wait and see. We're going to have to wait and see. But yeah, this third leg down, I usually go for the 1272, not the 1618. Just how I like to play the game. TLOS. Alrighty, let's check you out. TLO. Oh no, you just lost support. Oh no. Oh, that's the worst. You're super oversold though. So. Oh no. Where did I even get that level? What? Oh my goodness. That is not a level you want to break. That is not a level you want to break. This is bad. Oh boy. So bad. DZ, I thought she got pounded by 1,000 dudes. That was her new goal. I don't know, but that's excessive. That's just way too much. That's way too much. Nope. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. I mean, could you imagine being one of the guys just chilling in the lobby waiting? Like, it's gross. No man's land. Price discovery like a wild, wild west with the bears hitting each with red candles, right? This thing is absolutely insane. How are you not oversold? That's my question. How are you not oversold? Have I seen Brett? No, I didn't look at it. Sheesh. Sheesh. Check out the daily. Ugh. I don't know what to say about this one. It looks horrible. It's a falling knife. Maybe you find support at 1035. Maybe you find support where you're at. I have no clue. Falling knife, I don't play with these. I don't play with falling knives. That's how you get hurt. She said she felt bad she couldn't give the guys 5 minutes each that she promised them. Like, also, just 5 minutes, dude? Man. Giant red god candle, but not oversold, huh? Yeah, not oversold. Absolutely insane. So I don't know. I mean, on the daily, you're entering that oversold territory, but I mean, you're not like crazy oversold. That's amazing. Hold on 1 second, guys. Alright, I'm back. The dude in a wig with a lip glove. No, it's terrible. Oh, blind. Yeah, no, I mean, it's like, oh, you only get 5 minutes with this girl and you got like a half-hour wait. It's like, what? Why would you do that? Why would you? I don't understand why any guy would be like, yeah, this is going to be fun. Nah, that's gross. That is disturbing. That's lonely. That's what that is. Those guys are lonely. OGN. Those guys are just, oof. Ooh. OGN. Price discovery to the downside? Oh, no. You're finding your lowest support ever. You're really hoping this holds. You are really hoping the triple bottom holds. This is a triple bottom scenario. OGN, do not go lower. Just don't do it. Oversold again. You're hoping for something good. But, man, that is rough. You're back in your downtrend. Oh, maybe by the end of the day, you're just going to be like, bullish back test, baby. We're sending it. We'll see. Not looking great. OGN, not looking great. Daily, there's no bullish divergence to save you either. No bullish divergence. Sell-off could continue. 4 hour, no bullish divergence. Sell-off can continue. You would expect a bearish bounce and then more downside. Damn. So, yeah, for a bounce idea, it's lined up with a bearish backtest. So maybe you see 28% upside. Be ready for lower prices after that. Be ready. That looks really bad. Right time to buy BTC now and wait till morning? No. Not at all. No. You can do that. If you're asking what I would do, no, I wouldn't do that at all. I'm just looking for shorting opportunities. That's it. Am I going to put in some shorts tonight? Probably not. Unless something looks really good and ready to go, but nah, this just ain't the time. It just doesn't look great. All right, let's check out Plume. Remember, if there's any uncertainty that pops up over the weekend, it is an expectation that markets will dump hard going into Monday at market open. They will just fall. There will be nothing to save them until they can sit there and look at new data, digest it, and then think of something else to buy. So just expect downside. Just expect it. Tether, the only thing green on your watch list, always a sign. That is a bad sign. That is a really bad sign. All right, Plume. Let's go ahead and check it out. Plume. DZ, this one looks strong as hell. What the heck? What is this? What is this? You're making a lower high, though. Oh, your 4 hour doesn't like this. Your 4 hour don't like it. It's weird. It's like you didn't actually double top. You just made a lower high and you started pulling back. What's your daily look like? No data. Cool. Love it. Love it. Looking at the... Okay. That is a bearish... Oh, that's bearish as fuck. Okay, cool. Cool. Got that bearish 5-0. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Looking at this, just like this. 39% downside coming for Plume. Coming in hot. Just lost your 200 simple moving average. Bearishly backtesting it. This looks beautiful for the downside. CCI indicator is indicating, hey, we got to go down. We're going down all night, baby. We going down. So, yeah, 39% downside. I'm actually pretty confident on this one. Pretty confident on this one. This is the most confident I was on any chart tonight. This one right here. Beautiful. You'd expect the price not to get above 15389. Put that short in. Enjoy. Let's see what our 15 minutes showing. Oh my. You got the hidden bearish divergence on the 15. Yikes. Much higher relative strength, much lower price. Oof. Hidden bearish divergence on the 15. I'd take this all day. Short it, short it, short it. Enjoy the short. Take the downside. Looks great. Looks great. The visual fear mixing with the perspiration. Oh no. I've been watching 2008 market open videos on NASDAQ plummeting. What? Really? It's like, wow, it's going down. All right, final request of the night. RSR. Let's check it out one more time for the RSR. RSR, we are still looking for that nice bounce to the upside. So right now we could see it. Let's just go off the 15-minute just to be a little safe here. Yeah, you could see a nice little bearish backtest, something like this, like a 12 to possibly 17% move to the upside, based off your 15-minute. Your 1 hour time frame, still no hope here. But if you're going based off the 1 hour, you get to raise this up to here, and maybe you get a nice backtest bearishly on your former demand line, getting you 29% upside. It is a possibility. It is not a guarantee. You do have support sitting below you still at 4787. So we could see this thing fall an additional 35%. I'm expecting some type of bounce because it's so oversold. Indicators like to reset. So the bots will trigger buying just to reset. However, you can always stay oversold for prolonged periods of time. Just keep that in mind. On your 4 hour, you are also in that deep oversold territory. So it is what it is. Glad I found your channel, Bullish Wiz. I'm glad you found me too. I do appreciate you coming in. Alright everybody, I do stream every single day. I have a free Discord, link in the description down below. If you guys want to stay in touch, like and subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications. And other than that, I'm going to get on out of here. I will be back tomorrow to see what kind of carnage ensues. We will see how it goes. We will see how it goes. Your best case scenario on RSR is a 46% move to the upside and possible bearish backtest. That's what I'm seeing. Everything looking like poopy dog poop. Anyways, I'm going to catch you all later. Keep your stop losses tight. Take it easy. I'm out of here. Deuces, y'all. Deuces. Also a reminder, members only chat on Tuesday and Thursday nights. Members only chat. Everyone can view the stream, but only members can comment, talk, or request. Is what it is. Have a good night. Thank you so much. You have a great night also. I'm out of here. Much love, everybody. Appreciate each and every one of you.